Rawr.
Roar, just you.
He's lying. He called it rawr a little while ago.
But yes,
To be boring.
But yeah, we'll be doing Sid, what are we doing
today we're talking about
You see, today is a special day because I got the vaccination.
finally.
The same day. My monitor came back from repair. Poor thing lived 8 years before it absolutely died.
Under the
Yes.
And it
service
has
of
been
your
revived
mother.
by a very. It's been revived by a very talented man. But at the same time, I got like 2 pairs of glasses because I had a deal. And I wore the other pair out today, and now it's missing.
Normal day in the life of Brew. Nothing out of the ordinary here.
Some would say, clean your room, bro, and you will find your glasses. But to them I say, nay. My mom cleaned my room today because she was tired of it being horribly dirty, so she couldn't find it either.
Exactly.
You know that story of how moms always know where things are?
Did you put it
Because
to
they're the
test?
ones who keep them away.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, that turned out to be bullshit because my mom did know where my glasses are.
I see.
Also, there's somewhere in my room on the floor, my dog has sat his ass down on literally
So
every
it's gone
surface
either way.
imaginable. So I'm assuming they are not long for the world, even if I find it. Yeah.
But yes.
And,
Yes.
and he's
Bro, he's
And he's-
exposing the truth. So look at this room. Look at how
Oops.
beautiful this room looks right now.
Oh,
But yes, for the
Oops. I laid out the bed
For the
you,
audio
Oops.
listeners,
That's not the place you're supposed to
Bruce
see.
dog is Bruce dog is moving around the camera for the audio listeners. But if you want
he
to
sat down. I
if
shall
you want to
adjust.
see that, go to YouTube and watch the video. You'll be able to
Yes.
see Bruce dog moving the camera. Not very exciting content, but it's something.
Hey, it's exciting, okay?
It's something.
How dare you say my dog is an exciting content?
If we could see him, but yes.
Hey, stop moving it!
I
Dog!
didn't move.
Yes.
It did, you can't see Ace's head anymore.
I see.
Oh shit, he still can't see.
Can't see it now.
Oh, he sat his ass right over there. Okay, this is all I can do. I can't move it any further because his ass is like right there.
Yes.
But yes!
Finally, 2 minutes and 30 seconds later.
We shall adopt the earlier method of our introductions that we did in our Golden Kamui episode. I think.
Yes, yes.
Right? Isn't that right? So, Baru, Baldy, one Sid, white Baldy Sid, brown Baldy
Why am I
Audi.
white? What the fuck?
You're whiter
They
than
don't
us, so
pair me
you're
in
the
with those
boy
white
now.
people. But yeah, continue.
Seems like a case of racism right over there.
Well,
So
I'm
does
not white.
Bruce
It's
net lagging
racist
for
to
you?
call me white. No, it looks fine.
No, it's my droid cam.
that's
Yeah, I
the
just
way to
have
go.
some.
mean-
I just have some
Diluted orange
Nepali
juice.
blood
yes.
in me. I have some Nepali blood. Oh, this. Yeah, this is apple juice.
Hmm.
Drink responsibly.
Apple
Yeah,
juice,
continue.
I have mastered the art of staying perfectly still and
That
still
or your
talking.
dry cam is shut down.
Can any of you plebs?
Everyone who's
Hey.
waiting for us.
It is called
It's gone.
the art.
Yes, we're gonna
Sorry,
stall for a
just a
few
second.
more minutes and then
There
we can
I'm back!
continue.
And it's still lagging. But yes, Brew, Sid, Audi,
Yes.
V101, Last Take channel, new content every day. Different topics, introducing anime, discussing anime, hating on anime, all that stuff. Highlights channel, small version of podcast. Instagram, small version of podcast. We are good to go.
Yes.
And shorts,
Yes,
YouTube shorts,
shorts.
small version of our Last Take channel. Just go follow them all. You'll see new content every day, and we can begin our episode on what we call rawr.
Roar.
Just you.
He's lying. He called it rawr a little while ago.
But yes,
To be boring.
But yeah, we'll be doing Sid, what are we doing?
today we're talking about Record of Ragnarok or Shumatsu no Valkyrie by
Or rare.
written by Shinya Umemura and Takumi Fukui and illustrated by Aji Chika. So 3 people have worked on this.
Wait, why does this need 2
I don't know,
writers?
2 writers and 1 illustrator. 3. There's a team of 3.
Must have been
Yes.
an idea between two.
So, Audi, can you believe this guy? He doesn't even remember the
Yes,
names.
sorry.
Okay. My
It's
God.
the apple juice.
Can you imagine somebody who can't remember
Go watch
names?
last take to see Brew remember names.
Even when it's
really
right next to them on a monitor.
But yes.
Yes. And I'm not looking directly at the camera because we're sitting on Discord due to the pandemic, even though we're all vaccinated. So I'm looking here. Okay, I'm looking here. Just deal with it. Okay, I'll look at you when I have to talk to you, but I'm looking here when they're talking. Yes, anyway. So we can start
Let's
talking
start
about
talking
Record of
about
Ragnarok.
Ragnarok.
For those who don't know,
Drew, what is Record of Ragnarok about?
That's
oh, you just wanted to ask that.
that is starting
Okay.
off with that.
For those who don't know, Record of Ragnarok is a story where the gods come together every few thousand years.
All the gods, like every
and they
god
decide
ever.
to have a council.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the gods.
Every
Every
god,
god
yeah.
ever. And they decide to have a council. And one of the things they decide on is the future of humanity. Will humanity continue to survive, or will they be wiped out by the gods? And this particular council meeting, the gods decide to wipe out humanity.
Yes.
And well, humanity was not too happy about it, but well, they're gods, right? What can you do? Ha! You're wrong! They can do a lot! One Valkyrie named
Brunhilde.
Named-
Brunhilde.
Brunhilde, the eldest of
Yes.
the Valkyries.
that woman, she decides to challenge the gods and say that in the official rule book there is a little clause that says that humans and gods can engage in 1v1 battle, and 13 members can participate, and the first one to 7 wins decides the outcome of whatever.
If
they decide.
humanity
In which-
will-
in this case,
yeah,
humanity's destructions. Yeah, so if the humans win, humanity will go on for another 1,000 years before they decide to engage
Again,
in the
yes.
next season. And if the gods win, then humanity is just gone. So the gods don't agree, and then this Valkyrie taunts them, and they're like, "Oh, you two chicken, huh?
Yeah,
you chicken,
basically.
huh, gods?" And even though they're supposed to be immortal beings of infinite wisdom, they're like, "Oh, bitch, what you say? Oh, now you wait, I'ma kill all these humans."
Only human
And, they
tendencies
fall
for
for the trap
Mhm.
pretty
beings known
easily.
as God.
Yes. Exactly.
Yes, we shall be discussing it at length. Spoilers ahead. So if you want to read the manga, read the manga. But I will say that we checked out the anime on Netflix, and it's not an anime; it's a slideshow. It's a
It's
PowerPoint
like,
presentation. Microsoft sponsor us.
It's like the way of the
And,
house husband thing that we did. It's like
it
that
actually
one.
like
You remember that one? Yeah, so I did
Yeah.
check it out. There are like I see the mouth opening and closing, but otherwise it's like that.
That's still fine. That's kind of the thing that most anime does.
there are
but then-
people who like the way of the house husband
What?
at the anime. There are people
To
who
each
like the
their
way of
own,
the house
that's what I
husband.
The anime? You mean the
Like they're like, you know what, because they like the story, so they're like, you know what, it's a slideshow, but it's okay because the story is nice. But here
I would
there is
read the
no-
Yeah,
manga
but
for House Husband, but I wouldn't
that's
watch
the
it.
thing,
yeah.
right? I wouldn't mind if this was this was okay and it. I
Oh!
wouldn't mind if this was being done by like a small studio. But this is
I just
Netflix
read
we're
an
talking
article,
about.
guys.
Uh,
I just read an article
Yeah,
right now because I had the
thanks.
names of the authors open. Sorry, Audi, you can continue. It's just breaking news. Record of Ragnarok. Record of Ragnarok Lord Shiva controversy leads to removal of anime from Netflix India. That's why we don't have it here. Holy shit! We knew this would happen. You know, we talked about this, right? I just fucking saw it. Oh
live
my
update,
god.
I guess.
So that's it for this episode of
Yeah, I think
Record
we
of
have to
Ragnarok.
It's so expected, dude. We knew some shit like this would happen.
Wait.
Okay, for those who need some
picked this up and
context
was
for
like,
our
yo, let's
foreign
not
listeners,
air this at all in India. What?
no, I'm pretty sure that it was reported to others
Mm-hmm.
by the common folk, because that's usually what happens. So basically, we are from India. And in India, religion is a very big thing. The Hindu religion dominates the country, and people get very, very
Yes.
offended if you show the gods in any form other than what is official.
Ooh, and this
according
manga.
to the sculptures made
Yep.
and the temples. And this manga takes quite a few creative liberties.
Yes. Mhm.
And we're cool with all
And-
that stuff, but our country isn't.
Yeah, the country really isn't. In fact, the game Smite
Oh, yeah.
got a lot of backlash for showing the goddess Kali, even though the goddess was kind of shown.
Yeah.
in a way that
Yeah,
she
she's
was
shown
shown
accurate
She's shown
scripture and
yeah,
mythology.
She's basically shown naked in portraits with several
Topless. Yes.
heads. And that was the kind.
Yeah, and that's
Yeah.
pretty much how she is
Yeah,
in
and
Smite.
that's-
But somehow
Accurate, but no.
we found a problem with it, and Smite had to just change it to be more, I don't know, Indian, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, and the thing is, like, what a lot of people, what a lot of Indians don't realize is that our ancestors were like obsessed with sex. Okay,
Ooh.
it's shown
Dude.
in all the temples. You have sculptures of
All
people
our
having
caves,
sex. You have
The Ellora, Ajanta,
yeah,
all
all
that
our
shit.
caves.
Yeah.
You have like the
Exactly.
Kama Sutra, which is literally just a book about sex.
Different poses.
And these
Yeah.
are things that
Hmm.
these are things that are conveniently forgotten when religion comes into the
A
picture.
lot of things are conveniently
so-
forgotten. Like other religions, I think nitpicking is also a big issue in our case as well.
Yes. And after this, maybe we'll
Definitely.
also get removed from India. Haha.
Hmm.
But no. Yes.
Well, we
I'm
don't
kidding,
know
but
where we
maybe
are
I'm
from.
not.
No, well, from the preliminary discussions that we
Mhm.
had, we might just get more
Yeah, we
support
may,
from
'cause we do
India
have a
getting
few
removed
issues.
based on what
Yeah,
we
yeah,
have
yeah.
to say.
But yes. Let's get
Yeah.
started. Hmm.
I think
If anyone is watching to cancel us, please don't. We're not really worth canceling.
Very
over something like
insignificant.
this.
Hmm.
Our podcast channel has like some 60 subscribers.
Yeah.
So if you're really going to cancel us over something like this, what are you
Yeah,
doing?
what are you
man? What are you
doing?
with your
Like
life?
your aunt has more subscribers.
ah yes.
Okay.
Meta,
Meta
yes.
comment.
But yeah, I think before we start this, it's safe to say that we are okay. Again, we would say, we might as well say it once again. We are okay with the way gods are portrayed in other cultures. We are okay with the way religions are portrayed, and we have no problem with it. So whatever we say in this podcast is not going to be like a direct statement towards any religion. It's just our own opinion. Our opinion is like an asshole. Everyone has one.
And it's not about the religion itself. It's about how the religions
Yeah.
are shown.
We're
in
talking about
this
the manga.
manga.
We're talking about the story.
So-
Yeah, we are
Exactly,
talking
yeah.
about
Yeah.
the-
We are not
Hmm.
talking about
100%.
religion.
going
Yeah.
into that at all.
Hmm.
But yes, let's kick it off. Record of Ragnarok.
Yes. So
Who wants to
Audi
go
can
first?
go first. You
Sure,
get the
I don't
manga, Audi. Hmm.
Yeah,
Yes, this seems like a good time to throw Audi under the
Audi.
bus. Yes.
Start us off.
40 chapters. It was small, but surprisingly a lot of fight.
48.
Yeah.
Okay.
8.
But surprisingly a lot of fights thrown into.
No, I
it.
said 48. Are you deaf?
But surprisingly a lot of fights thrown into 50 chapters, 48 chapters. But
Thank you.
it felt empty to me. That's what I will say. I'm like, okay, I like the whole concept of gods being pitched against
Yeah.
against humans, the strongest of humans, mind you. Sort of has been the topic of debate in religion as well, like demigods facing off gods, trials of humanity and shit like that. And we see it across all our religions, so it's not a new concept, but it's still a very interesting concept, and it is good. But the problem with Record of Ragnarok is that the way it is executed. Like there are just fights at the end of the day. There is just fighting happening, and there is no proper story going on.
They
between-
aren't even fights, really.
yeah, they aren't even fights at the end of the day. But that's what it's got going, right? It's supposed to be like
Yeah.
like you said, it's a tournament arc. So what more can you say for it other than that it's just fighting?
Hmm.
There is no story because it skips over that like in 2 panels. Fighting also in most cases are skipped quite a bit. unless there is something really really important going on, some really important detail being exposed about this thing about both the characters like Poseidon and who is it, Kojiro, Sasaki Kojiro.
Yeah, Sasaki Kojiro.
I think they do that for all the characters, but I think that's about it. There's just a tiny backstory for everyone, and there is no other
I think
story
the
beyond it.
backstory is a lot more than the actual fighting.
There's
though,
a lot
I
of
would
backstory.
say.
But that's all we get an insight into. It's just the backstory, then the gods fighting, and that's it. They do show a beginning of a plot line of some sort, like towards where we are right now, between Buddha and Bishamonten. But I think that's not going to take off since the fight has already started, and once the fight is over, it's probably going to die out with it. So who knows? Maybe like at the end of Record of Ragnarok, or at the end of this whole tournament at least, there's going to be something where the humans are going to be like, no, we don't want to die, and the gods will be like, no, you're going to die, and then there's going to be like a huge, Ragnarok war sort of thing going on where it's like the end of both worlds. But again, I have no hopes for it. I still feel it's empty.
Well, Ragnarok was supposed to be the end of the gods'
Yeah.
world, not human
No, the-
world,
yeah.
like according to Norse mythology
Logically,
at least.
but then here they're kind of taking liberties with the storyline. They're doing literally everything
Yeah, yes.
in all different ways, so anything is possible at this point. And like I have my problems, obviously. One of them being the pantheons being mixed into each other, and rather than each pantheon having its own individual identity, all the pantheons have one leader, Zeus, for some
Yeah.
reason. Because even though it's a dead religion for like 1,000 years now, so not even 1,000 years, 2,000 years. I don't know. It's like ages ago. But then point being, there are other.
How would it be a dead religion for 2,000 years if the world was formed 2,000 years ago? Adi!
Maybe. If that was the case, then Jesus Christ would be the one.
My
sitting
God.
on top of it.
What are you kids these days learning in school?
But
But
yes.
yeah, preferably I would have liked to see the pantheons in with their own set of characteristics, their own hierarchies and shit like that. Because that's what gives them the identity we know of today. And to see them just be bundled up into one umbrella as the gods under one leader is kind of not that much for not going well for me. I'm still interested to see where all these fights lead, but then
I see.
as far as the historical aspect of it goes, I'm kind of not sold on it.
Yeah.
Also, just a side note, if anyone watching at least, is offended over this manga in general, or offended about what we say, and you still enjoy God of War, fuck you.
You still enjoy God of War, you still enjoy Assassin's Creed, or
Yeah, there's
every
no
other-
need to be offended. Yeah.
like every other game is loosely based off of religion, as most games would call it. And this is no different. Loosely is also a very, very, very vague term for it, because it's literally doing
Yeah.
everything wrong and right at the same time. But yeah, if you like it, you like it. I personally don't like it that much. I still want to see towards the end of it, just to see if there are any nice developments through the manga. But then otherwise, it's
Yeah.
not something I would recommend.
Yeah, that actually, the thing for me, it was just like I was bored. I was
Yeah.
bored reading it, honestly, because it's just like they like clash once, and then like backstory, and they clash once. Like like people say tournament arc, but there isn't even really any tournament arc. They're just standing and like clashing once,
Yeah.
and then they just keep like clashing and clashing. Like there's no interesting action. There's no interesting choreography. Like that made it boring for me, like later it got really stretched out. And I was like, the initial this is interesting. Like I love action. Like I watch a lot of action shit. Like really, like I really enjoy watching action, fighting and choreography and stuff. I really enjoy that. But this didn't even have any of that if you talk about that aspect of it. Especially the manga, like for me it was like even the way I was following it was kind of confusing for me. And yeah, it was basically that. Especially the first 2-3 fights is just like these guys hitting each other, stopping, saying a few things back in one story, hitting.
At the end of every fight, it was just basically a battle of attrition, as they would call it.
Yeah, I mean, the biggest issue was-
nothing else.
biggest issue was what we talk about.
Big words on you. Battle of
Yeah.
That's what they
attrition.
say. Like Hercules is like, this is all every other god just says it's a battle of attrition at the end of it. Like, it's like the fifth battle of attrition, which battle will be decided
Yeah.
flat out.
And
at
the
this
way
point.
the way the gods' interaction was very weird. Yeah, I agree with you. Even I didn't like how Zeus was the leader of all gods. That didn't make any sense. Like, I don't know why he chose to do that, but story choice, whatever. But my main issue, I think all of us have issues with, if we talk about, is the amount of research he didn't do into Hindu mythology. The loss of research. He did no freaking research. He just Google like
Not at all, no.
Indian gods and like take like the top 5 or whatever and just do it because he's the because the Norse and the this thing Greek, at least he's shown it to some extent. You know, he's done it, like he knew about it or something like that, right?
Yeah,
But the
Yeah, but
others are like
can
nothing.
you like okay? Obviously, he should have
Nothing.
done the research.
Yeah.
I'm not defending him, but Norse and Greek mythology are like
Of
widely
course,
known
Yeah.
without having
Yeah.
to do research into the nitty-gritty details of it. At least anyone who's not been living under a
Will
rock
knows,
since
yeah,
2015, largely due to Marvel also and Santa Monica Studios, they know Greek mythology and Norse mythology, like at least the base of it, because those guys got it
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah.
While if you look at, so this is actually the bane of Indians being offended over the way the gods are portrayed, because at the end of the day, if you don't let people tell stories about your culture, nobody knows about
nobody
it.
knows
Nobody
yeah,
actually
yeah.
knows about
No
Indian
one
gods.
knows about it. Yeah, I know
it's
that's
kind of
true.
how the whole concept of mystics and sages work, right? Because they just took stories from one land and they wander the land and be like, yes, I have stories from my land. Here are the gods from my land. Shit like that.
Yeah, but like it would still be good to like find
Yeah.
out more about it. Like there are 3 people on the team. Like come on, like 2 writers, dude. Like you could have done some research, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I genuinely don't know why
Yeah,
they
even,
need
like-
two writers.
Yeah, even with
can't
I don't
writers,
care.
they
comprehend
missed a
that
lot of
aspect
details.
of
You
it.
can show the characters however you want. You can make them do whatever you want. Doesn't matter to me. But
But
at
the-
least like
Yeah.
Do your
Even
research on
the
where they
Hindu
come from.
mythology is based in
Yeah.
some stone, so that stone needs to be there at the end of the day. Like, I think we aren't very bothered about the appearance of most gods, all except a couple. I think Bro will have a few issues with.
appearance, yes, we are bothered by some. Yes, we are.
But otherwise, like, we are okay with it. But it's more the hierarchy of the gods that they display at
No,
in
it's-
the Hindu mythology, which is like
it's his choice in the end. But yeah, it was weird.
no, but that's the thing, right? They show other gods in the respective hierarchy. They show Odin and Zeus in the correct in the correct order.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And it's not like a moment of like religious fanaticism or anything, but this is like he did the research required for Norse and Greek, so might as
Yes,
well
yeah.
could have done for the Hindu mythology as well. It's
Yeah.
required.
But that's what I'm saying. Do you really need to do research for Norse
Yeah.
and Greek mythology? At that point, like basically all he's done is he's like Zeus son
Yeah,
Ares.
you don't
Zeus
really
other
need
son
to do
Hermes.
like the amount of information
pretty much
he
it.
knew is the amount of information we know without doing any research. So it's like the same.
Yeah, and he's like Norse mythology,
Odin, Thor, Loki,
Odin son Thor, Odin
Yeah.
sub son Loki, and that's it.
and the Valkyries, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So like I agree that it makes sense that the Norse and Greek religions are popular, but I'd say you're right and wrong in that whole aspect because they're popular in the fantasy this thing. Like if you see games and shows being written.
What is this?
No. Let me explain. Like as far as you said that no one has to do any research on this thing, so everyone knows the Norse and Greek hierarchy, whereas the Hindu one it's more popular in real life rather than it is in. Have you ever seen any comics about the Hindu mythology?
Yes.
Of course not. They're all banned and
I've seen a
burned.
lot.
Unless it's Tinkle.
Aside
see a
from
lot of
Tinkle, like I'm
indie
saying like on a
Indian
more
comics.
global perspective.
No, global. I haven't seen anything really.
Yeah.
No.
So like we've seen all
Basak,
these games and
Basak did it.
huh?
Basak did it.
I guess, yeah. In one way. A
In
very
one way.
convoluted way.
You
of
can
its own,
say
but
that.
yes, sure.
But we were still cool with that. We didn't
Yeah.
have issues with that. Yeah, that
I
was
think
very
he did-
cool.
I'm assuming Miura just didn't give a shit.
Yeah.
I'm assuming Miura just
Yeah.
didn't give a shit.
Yeah, but he still portrayed it very well, you know. Like he took cultures and he showed it very well. And it was a more, you could see that he did his research into the cultures and he got the shapes correct. Here
Yeah,
on
the
the other hand,
cushions and everything. He did
Yeah,
a good
like-
amount of research actually. Yeah.
he did research into the armor, the weapons, the symbols, the this thing, the flags, the monsters itself for that matter. He made
Yeah,
them
the
look
asuras,
more,
everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he made them look more towards
He
Indian
did a lot of
mythology than
research.
it was to the other creatures. So he did his research at the end of the day. So why is it that one person could do this much research, but then a team of 3 people doing a whole manga based on gods couldn't do this a little bit more research? Is my
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not defending the fact that they didn't do the research, but I'm thinking more about like why. Like I'm assuming they just didn't do research for any of the gods.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah,
And it
that's a
just
good
so happened
assumption.
that the bare minimum was okay for Greek and Norse
Greek and
mythology
Norse.
because they're already so popular, but the bare minimum was not okay for Indian mythology
Yeah.
because he literally didn't get the hierarchy right.
That is true. That is possible, yeah.
He
But
didn't
what
get-
surprises me more that it managed to pass through the filter, considering the whole cancel culture.
Yeah, but
and
what
everything.
filter? There's nobody.
is
There's
no
nobody
filter.
to actually.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nobody to actually be like this is wrong because nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
Because
Yeah.
As
That's possible.
a community, as a community, Hinduism has just shut out all any global
Hmm.
Which is ironic.
And like-
representation.
yeah.
And now most Indians won't even like get to see this because it's like banned. It's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
well,
no one will even know about
If
it.
they're
Yeah.
willing to
Like,
read the manga. Yes.
Yeah, if they're willing to take that step, they'll know about it. But yeah, most people who
No,
are
but see,
browsing
if
Netflix
you're willing to
won't
read
come
the
across
manga,
it.
you are going to watch the anime
Of
one way or
course,
the
yeah.
other
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
really
yeah.
want to.
Mhm.
Like no one in India is so idiotic that they're like, oh, I can read this manga illegally, but anime illegally.
No,
Not
if they
possible,
find
sorry.
the manga, of course. I'm saying if they're just browsing Netflix, they'll never come across something like
Yeah,
that.
of
Like
course.
the casual Netflix viewer, you know, I'm saying who watches.
I mean
anime on
that is
Netflix.
still a
Yeah.
problem because
Hmm.
at the end of the day, even if you're an anime fan and you're not going to be interested enough to go into the apps and the sites and the
Yeah.
sources and the torrents and everything, you're not going to ever see it. You might be waiting for it. You might be like, oh, it's coming out on Netflix. It's going to come out everywhere, and you might never know that it got cancelled. So
Yeah, we were actually waiting for it. Remember, 17th, we were like, oh, it's going to
Yeah.
come, and it never came, and now we know why. I still saw it
now we know
officially,
why.
but yes. But yeah, it's
Well, watching it on Netflix is official.
yeah, I saw it on Netflix. Yeah, exactly.
Yes. But yes. I think we have pretty much
You
established
see, our friends in the different countries, Mr. P,
P
Mr.
and Mr. N, exactly.
They shared their screen while watching it so that we could also watch
could
it.
also watch
It's
it,
not
yeah.
illegal. It is.
We had like a marathon,
perfectly legal.
yeah, like a party, like a streaming party.
Party.
you
Yeah,
know,
yeah, exactly.
But
We
yes,
have friends in high places in different countries.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
but yeah, it was that.
Alicia,
day.
it's like I'm setting us up to be raided by the government. or something.
I know, right? But let's.
It's a joke. We don't know anybody. We're nobodies. But
But-
yeah. So I'm telling you, this was just I genuinely cannot even assume a reason as to why they would need 2 writers and still do this, but like it was a cash grab, okay. It's just
Oh,
a cash grab.
100%. It's like a Michael Bay. Even though Michael Bay does have some
Yeah.
good stuff, but still, it was a full Michael Bay thing if we go to this meme, you
Yeah.
know. Yeah.
It's just like explosions, it's just like destruction, it's just meaningless violence.
Yeah, it's just like pop.
all
It's-
just for
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
entertainment of the viewer.
Yeah.
I don't see
like
how
being
manga
nonsensical.
tends to be a cash grab because don't they have like a full process behind?
Dude, it got an
selecting
anime
mangaka
in
for
like
it,
40 chapters. Which manga gets an anime
that
in
is
40
true.
chapters? Yeah, that's freaking
So
crazy.
wait, do you think it's like Jump just decided to pick up like 2 writers who are not in commission and they were like, fuck it, you get an artist, you 3 decide what you're going to do next, and out from it came.
No, they don't pair artists and
Wouldn't they?
writers unless one has something. So either the artist needs a writer to write his story and the premise is good, or the writer needs an artist to draw his story.
Yeah.
That is usually how this thing, the manga system works for Jump at least. So it's,
This was
it's a complete
actually another
mystery to me as
studio.
to how this came together.
Yeah, but yes, this was a studio called Quamix. Some news.
Quam-
Yeah, I haven't heard of it. Yeah.
No, see, but that's the thing, right? See, if you're an editor in any content manufacturing company, it could be Jump, it could be Netflix, it could be
Kodansha,
anything. There's a reason
anything.
why-
Yeah.
There's a reason why these two picked it up. It's because when you look at the base of it, right, even if it's not going to be good, it's going to sell.
Yeah, exactly. It's
pretty
gonna
much it.
sell. Yeah, it
Like-
works.
Like fights are always going to sell. You're never going to have a manga that focuses on fighting that's not going to do well. Even like the worst of the worst fighting manga that you could have seen is still going to do well. Maybe not like become the next One Piece or something, but it will definitely
Get
earn
a
you
good
enough
amount.
money for you to chill. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's clearly like it's just one of these new age manga which it's not about the manga. If you look at any of the older manga or even something more recent, like if for lack of a better example, Attack on Titan, maybe even Black Clover, I'm not sure, I just started it, but these
Black
type of
Clover
things, they
anime
focus
actually
on
is
the
very
manga.
popular.
They don't focus on the anime. No, I'm saying they focus on the manga. The anime is not their focus. The manga is their focus, and then they make it a good anime later, which is what boosts the popularity. But for this, it's very clear that they were like, how can we get our story made into an anime ASAP?
Yeah.
Explosions and fighting.
They just worked straight towards it. Yeah.
By the way, they started.
See, like
this
at the
in-
end of the day,
They started this
Yeah.
in 2017, by the way. That's when I started serializing. Just to let you
Oh.
know. Yeah. So it's been years.
Chapters.
But yeah.
yeah, like see, the thing is like if you look at Attack on Titan, Isayama is not a very talented artist. He's like, he
Cancelled.
himself has said it so many
We're
times.
cancelled right here.
He's- according to his own words,
According to his own words. Yes.
he is not a very good artist. That is one of the things he has talked about in interviews as well, where he's like, I'm not I'm not happy with the drawings themselves, even though fans are like, yeah, oh my god, it's I'm a best artist ever. Now that's when we get cancelled. Yeah, he's not a good artist, but he worked on the story until he stopped working on the story. But so like it's not like these guys are bad mangaka. It's just that they chose the easiest option that they could.
And
Like at the end of the day, the artist
draw.
still like
They can draw the illustrator.
Yeah,
like
the art is
has done a
good.
good job. Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
It's the writers who couldn't this thing keep up, I guess.
I wouldn't
No,
say
I wouldn't. No, the thing is, I wouldn't blame the writers only here, because what kind of an artist are you if you are not ready to put in that much effort into getting your own work
Yeah.
up to that standard that you want? The only explanation I can think of is they were like, they came up with this idea, and they probably had like a slightly different idea, and somebody got to know their idea and was like, listen, make it a tournament arc, you are guaranteed big bucks. And they were like, I've
Yeah.
done this shit for too long, I need money now.
Yeah,
Well, they got
basically.
it. They managed to snag a Netflix deal with that shit.
Yeah, I mean, if you're only after the money, sure. But then, see, it's like the dudes who were behind Game of Thrones. I don't know their full names. I just know them as D&D because Reddit has memed the
David
hell out of
Benioff
them.
and D.B. Weiss, I think.
Ooh,
Yeah,
or
so-
D with the memory. But yeah.
Yeah, I've
So
seen their names
those
way too
guys-
much on Reddit just to forget that shit.
Those guys got to know the ending that George R.R. Martin planned
Yeah.
for Song of Ice and Fire.
Yeah.
Because he was like, hey, I might die, so you guys should know. And the books and the show should make sense. And because of they did good work, okay? There's no denying that they did good work
of
in the
course.
initial seasons of Game of
Dude,
Thrones.
Game of Thrones changed.
And then-
Like the whole world was watching it religiously at one point.
Yeah.
They did a crazy job. Yeah.
I mean, Game of Thrones was actually like so. I was like, I wanted to be a part of it so much
Yeah.
that when my college got Wi-Fi for the first time, the first thing I did was torrent Game of Thrones
Like-
because it came.
Wow.
reached on a Monday. They were like, we got Wi-Fi. I was like, download.
And that is a joke
And,
that Brew is making. He did
yes.
not actually torrent it, just letting you
Yeah,
know.
of course. I'm
But
sorry.
yeah.
I didn't think that's such an obvious thing.
Yeah,
had to
I
be
know, right?
said.
It's
Of
an
course,
obvious
a
joke. Yeah, just
His friend
letting
had an
people
HBO
know.
subscription.
But yes.
Yes. Yeah, and I forgot where I was. Yeah, but basically later they got the Star Wars deal,
Uh-huh.
and they were like, Game of Thrones is here, but Star Wars is here, so let's sack this and go for this. And they screwed it up, and then they lost the Star Wars deal afterwards
yeah.
because
So
they screwed it up so bad. So it's gonna be similar for these guys. If they go to another studio, or if or the guys who handled it on in Netflix, they're going to lose a lot of opportunities just because they decided to take the easy route out for such a series with so much potential. I think that's the main thing. Like, if it was a shit series which nobody cared about, and then it got a shit anime, people are going to be like, yeah, it's shit. That's all we can say. But if you have a lot of potential, like this could have been an amazing anime.
It could
maybe
have
not
been an amazing
manga.
anime. Yeah,
This
yeah,
could have been an amazing
definitely.
story in and of itself. Like, decent.
No,
like-
forget the story. Forget the
No,
story.
only the
story's
anime.
Screwed.
Yeah, yeah,
okay,
yeah.
story screwed at the base.
Okay.
Like,
No, it
if
could have
the
been a good
manga was
anime.
taken and made into a proper fighting anime,
Yeah,
it would
yeah.
have done very, very well.
Very well,
animation.
yeah.
But
Good visuals.
they have one of the biggest disappointments in anime in 2020 and 2021, I'd say. The last
Yeah.
2 years.
I'd say
I
the
don't
way
know.
of the house has been
At
still
least.
does a better job at that. Yes.
I don't know.
No, see, that's the thing. Because people are okay with the way of the house husband story. They're like, okay, the base
Yeah, the
is fine.
story
So I
is
will-
really funny. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
But
So
the
they're like,
story
I
is
will
screwed
watch
here
this
and-
slideshow. The slideshow is bad, but I will watch it because I at least
Yeah.
like the story. And here people are like,
No story,
Punch.
no animation.
One
Another
punch.
punch.
Backstory.
I feel like I've seen this anime before. Feel like
But
there's
that
another-
I don't know if it's like, did Netflix not give the studio a budget? Was it like COVID? I don't know what the reason was. Why did this happen?
Is it a smaller
is
studio that
COVID
did
really
this?
an issue?
I
Is
don't
that
know.
really an excuse anymore?
I don't
Yeah, I
know.
don't
That's
know.
what. Because was it the budget? Did they not get enough budget? So it's like we'll put up like images. I don't know.
Maybe it was a smaller studio. That's why. Because I think even Way of the
It's
House has got
a-
similar treatment. So
It's Studio Graphinica
I've never heard.
is the name of the studio. They have made a few things that I don't recognize, but yes. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know
Point
why.
being, like, it's probably a smaller studio, and even if it was a bigger studio, then fucking shame on them, right? It is just generally shit quality in this anime if it was a larger studio. But assuming it was a smaller studio, they probably got lower budget. They probably had to do a lot of tricks and make a lot of cuts.
And again,
And
the
that's even-
studio, the visual design of they like everything was drawn beautifully, it just didn't move. So
Doesn't
they
move, yeah.
still did a good job, yeah.
They basically, yeah, like you said, they
The
took same
characters
thing
were
from-
still well drawn. Yeah, exactly.
But like animation kind of helps a lot, when something's called an anime. I've made this point before and I'll make it again. You kind of need animation in an anime for it to actually get a lot more viewers than it should. And I don't think you can pass off the same tricks in anime. Like you can't do this PowerPoint thing because in manga you still have like a lot of shading done, a lot of detail added into it, and that kind of adds a lot of character to
It's a different
the whole
format.
manga. Yeah.
Yeah,
But no,
it's
like
time,
there's
animation
a
is
lot better
time-based.
art as well. So
Yeah.
you can kind of make do with just still images of them. You can kind of think of them and be like, okay, the art is good, and I can appreciate the art as well. But then if you translate that into anime, and then you show like no shading there at all, no detail at all.
No, they did a good job with the shading and it just didn't move. Like I also saw like a few walk cycles in the beginning, but that was it. That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. And also the thing is nowadays like the quality of anime has improved so much, right, with stuff that's coming out. Like even if you see Attack on Titan, like quality is freaking crazy of what they're doing with animation. Yeah, no matter what you say, like they're doing a really good job. They're actually putting so much effort and detail into it. Like you see them moving with your freaking mind is blown. How the fuck did they animate that, right? So yeah, like a lot of anime is putting a lot of effort. A lot of studios are putting a lot of effort into anime nowadays. So there is already this high standard you need to achieve. to be accepted because
Well, and
everyone's
there's also
watching.
One Piece, which
Yeah.
finally picked up its animation.
Yeah, One
finally,
Finally.
after decades.
But people are watching stuff like Attack on Titan and they already have this high bar set in there. Like, of course, we need something like that, right? You can't just give us a PowerPoint presentation after that, basically. Of course, people are going to be disappointed. That's why we saw what was happening on Twitter the day it came out, right? We all saw that.
Yeah. Like, not even kidding. Sid was like, hey, we need to do a YouTube Shorts for Record of Ragnarok.
Yeah.
It's coming out today. And I was like, yeah, sure. I was like, I'm feeling lazy. I'll do it later. And then I opened Twitter for something else. And I'm like, hey, Record of Ragnarok is trending. Let's check it out.
Everyone hates it.
Everybody is talking about how shit it is.
Everybody's. We got comments on our shorts also about how shit it is. People
Yeah.
telling us, yes, it's shit. Don't watch. But yeah, that was.
But
yeah,
we
it's
can't
actually
watch
pretty-
it. Haha, in a funny twist of fate itself.
Speak for
So
yourself.
there are like two things. Like one thing is like the. I'd say maybe this is going to sound like very pretentious, but there's a reason people like Oda and Miura and all these the big greats, the top names in manga, especially even like any manga. If you take Ippo, if you take Hunter x Hunter,
Oh
if you
yeah,
take
yeah,
Naruto,
yeah.
One
Any of
Piece,
the big
Berserk,
popular ones, yeah.
yeah. Like the main reason they're popular is not because, like obviously the art and the story play a role in it, but it's basically because of the amount of care that is given to the entire idea from the start till wherever they are, till the finish. And that's exactly why people get so angry when something like Naruto or Bleach ends up destroying itself, because
Yeah.
they're like, you cared so much up to this point, and after this point it just suffered. What happened?
Like Fairy
that's
Tail
the
also,
main-
right? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Like there's a reason Fairy Tail is not going to be remembered as one of the greats, while
Yeah, I know,
Naruto
right?
and One Piece will definitely. And that's just because like these guys care about the art itself. It's not about the money for them. It's not about fame, all that shit. It's just they care about the art. They care about putting out the best possible thing they
Yeah,
can.
exactly.
While a lot of the smaller ones, which are popular but not really long-term popular, like I would say Attack on Titan is going to be forgotten soon. It's like Game of Thrones. It's going to be forgotten soon. I can, despite the
Interesting.
popularity it's having now, there are going to be people who will rewatch it. Obviously, there are people who like Game of Thrones ending as well, as weird as that sounds.
But it
But
doesn't have that much.
Those guys don't
watchability.
really care about the art. They care about those fans, at least. They care about supporting that one creator because they're like, oh, this guy can do no wrong. It's basically become celebrity worship at that point. But the guys who really care about the art itself, they literally are going to be remembered for as like Joe. Okay, like let's face it.
My God,
Compared
dude.
to at least modern standards, Joe is not the best drawn manga.
I would say the drawing
But
is
you're-
still pretty good, but yeah.
Yeah, but compared to like what people are doing nowadays with the amount of technology, the amount of different things, techniques that they use now, Joe didn't have all those things. But it's still remembered as one of the most iconic manga in the world.
It's a
Slam dunk.
Classic, yeah, slam dunk, yeah, all this, like, these will always be
Yeah,
remembered.
that's the word, right? It's a classic, right?
Yeah, it's a
Would
classic.
you call Attack on Titan a classic, irrespective of how
wouldn't.
popular
No.
it became?
I wouldn't.
Exactly. No one is going to call it a classic
I
20 years
honestly
from now.
think if anyone reads a good amount of anime, a good amount of manga, or watches a good amount of anime before they get into Attack on Titan, they'll just be like, "What the fuck is Attack on Titan? Why am I downgrading myself by watching this shit?"
Yeah, like if you see the amount of good shit that's out there, like, you know, the classics that's out there, yeah, this shit won't compete, yeah, right. It's like just another
C-class
bump on
at
the
best.
road. Yeah.
Because there are a ton of
and
good
my
anime and manga out.
It's very rare that we come across something, you know, that like the last one we personally came across was Berserk, right? Which freaking blew our
Yeah.
fucking minds. Yeah.
Yeah.
With how fucking beautiful it was. But yes.
The second point might be something that Sid disagrees with, because it's a little bit of a controversial take.
Uh-huh.
But I really like Bill Watterson's ideology for Calvin and Hobbes, okay?
Why would I
He
disagree with
dis-
that?
No, I'm just going like, he disallowed any animation of it. He
Oh,
disallowed
yeah, I know.
any voice of it. he disallowed everything. He said it's a comic, it's going to be a comic. And when he was asked why, he said each person is going to have a different voice for Calvin and Hobbes in their head. Each person is going to have a different voice for each of those characters. They're going to move differently. That same iconic dance is going to be different for every single person who reads it. And nobody is ever going to be forced to look at a version and not be happy with it, because their version is always going to be in their heads. So
100%.
like I'm not against animation or anything. I love animation. I love watching anime or animated movies like Kimi no Na wa. But Kimi no Na wa was not a manga which became an anime. It was an original story. And I think that's why Miyazaki shines like crazy, because all his stories are like
they only do original stuff.
Don't have and So the minute you have a base form that you're making something else out of, like not taking anything away from anime, because I still love a lot of anime, but very few people can actually manage to do that elevation, you know, instead of just making an exact same or a worse version. Very few anime actually go elevated. Like Haikyuu is a great example.
Demon Slayer did it. Freaking
Demon Slayer did it,
crazy,
But if you look at the earlier One Piece anime, I would say that's a disgrace.
Oh, that is disgusting.
That is not at all.
No, but that's true. Like every show does. There are lots of even manga that I don't want an anime for. You know, I'm happy seeing it as a manga. Like even something like Pun Pun. I don't think a Pun Pun anime will work at all. I think it works beautifully. I think it works beautifully as a manga. I do not want
rates will jump up 5,000%.
Not even for that. For the characters, like the same reason, the voices, all that, right? I don't want it to. I love it how it is, right? And there are lots of anime that shouldn't. I would say there's a lot of manga that shouldn't be an anime that's perfect as it is.
So that's one of the main reasons I prefer manga, because you know there it's what I want it to be. It's not what somebody else is
exactly.
imagining it to be. And the worst thing is, like, you know, when it comes to anime, unless you're Oda, unless you're that big, you don't get a say in what happens in the anime. You might not even get a say in who voices the characters. So at the end of the day, as the creator, that might not be what you want. You might be like, oh my god, this voice, it annoys the hell out of me. That's not the voice of Luffy, for example.
Like what happened with me and Black Clover.
Stuck with it.
I couldn't stand his
basically.
voice. I was like, fuck this shit. But
but like if you're reading it instead of watching it, you're like, you know what? I don't give a shit if this guy is voiced by someone else, because I'm not hearing the voice.
It's a unique kind of fun. Unique kind of fun that can be
it's a
changed.
It's not everyone can translate well. But let's get back to Record of Ragnarok, because we have a lot to say.
No, but
about
that's what I'm saying. Because
this
this manga is the exact same. Like I don't care about any of their voices, because the base material is so bad.
The base material
poor
is
voice
really
artists
boring.
must have worked so hard, and they watch it and they're like,
what the fuck? Their mouths are just moving up.
They're like, basically, my voice is more important than the visuals, is what they're saying. Like my voice is helping people understand this.
Well, maybe that is a confidence boost for voice artists.
But the base story had like a lot of. It was nothing.
There is no story.
It was nothing.
Literally no story.
No, but let's
It's just
follow the
fighting.
plot line, if you will.
Not even fighting. It was just meaningless. I don't know, standing in front of each other. I guess I don't even know.
Plot of Record
No,
of
but that's the other thing, right? Every single fight is like, I am using my ultimate power. This power burns away at my heart. My heart can last 20 seconds. Somehow I will fight for 1 hour after that. But it can last 20 seconds. Your heart can last 22 seconds. I need to make my heart last 22 seconds. Who will die first? God, shit. Okay, one of
There
you
is no
is gonna
choreography.
die. That's
It's
obvious.
like so boring.
I think the only time I did end up liking Record of Ragnarok was when they were doing the Adam versus Zeus fight. Because because there was one point where they showed Adam mimicking his movements, mimicking Zeus's movements, and they were like, okay, he was made in the image of God. Okay, finally something that makes sense. You know, sure.
No, he just had the Sharingan. That's pretty much it.
It's
For those who don't know,
Tell me I'm wrong.
he was made in the image of God.
And what moves was he mimicking?
They literally talk about his eyes. They're like,
Wait.
He can see the moments. I'm like, Sharingan.
Yeah.
He can copy the moments. Sharingan.
And all he was mimicking are like punches, nothing else.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, that's the
So
other thing, right?
special.
Like, it's not even like Zeus used like lightning storms or something.
Yeah.
Zeus was like, I punch you, and Adam is like,
Yeah.
that's how you punch.
Dude,
Ooh.
Adam basically counter punched him, right? That's what happened. He just countered
Yeah.
his punch. That's all. I don't know how much
Which
this
is
you need to mimic
another
it.
problem I have. They show all
This is
these
something.
gods in like huge powers and shit, and they hype them up so much to the point where Zeus is holding down Shiva with one of his hands alone, but then in the fights they're just punching each other. They're just using raw strength at the end of the day. Why doesn't Poseidon just be like, I am god of the oceans, maybe I should use water to my advantage and shove this guy off of the stadium itself? Maybe that is a possibility. Or Zeus is like,
No,
fuck
you know,
it,
one more
thunderbolts all around the arena.
Yeah, the gods were quite nerfed actually in all
Fucking
of them.
zap
if you see.
everyone.
One more
I don't
thing I
know.
don't understand is like the gods are like so weird because one of the things that they should fear the most, like as a god,
Is
one of
the
the things that
belief.
you should fear the most is you dying. Okay, like you're supposed to be immortal.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
you dying is not a thing you should take lightly.
Yeah.
Okay, you've been here millions of years. You can't just up and away one day. And I don't know why they made it a fight to the death. Why is it a fight to the death? Just
Yeah.
like whoever beats whoever first person to knock the other unconscious wins. But instead they're like, God died. Oops.
God died.
Only
They could
Poseidon,
have probably
Poseidon
made
died.
like
I'm like,
a extremely
what do you mean
hype
Poseidon
moment.
died?
They could have made like an
Yeah,
extremely
like,
hype
like,
moment.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're like, what do you mean Poseidon died? Like Poseidon is literally the oceans.
So
Are you saying the oceans are now out of control?
They're like, poof,
Yeah, it's
no
gone.
more ocean.
gone.
Whoops.
They're doing.
Yeah, either the oceans are gone or the oceans are just going to overflow or something.
Yeah.
There's nothing to keep them in control.
Or they have new job opening for new god of the seas, new job
Yes,
opening.
yes.
People
Well,
can apply.
They haven't even mentioned anything, so I'm assuming that some part of the world just got screwed over.
Yeah, I'm
So
imagining.
while humans like kill the gods to save humanity, they probably destroy humanity because each god brings down a calamity when they die.
Dude,
Like
and
they
also-
kill Zeus, lightning storm across the entire world. Everyone's dead.
Dude, and also the people like who have faith, like build Poseidon temples and stuff. They're like, well, fuck, he was trying to kill us and now he's dead. What do we do? Our faith
Yeah.
was like everything we believed and lived our lives with this religion.
That's
just
the
fucking
other
gone.
thing, right? Like these humans are like, shit, my whole mortal life was spent worshipping Zeus.
Yeah.
Here he is saying we should all die.
Biggest.
Interesting.
Yeah, I know. Like, what the
Hey,
fuck do we
did
do with
the
our
statue
beliefs?
of Poseidon just break? Yeah, I think in that other town as well, the statue of Poseidon broke. Why is there water rising up over here? Something feels off.
But yeah,
It's
that's
so weird. Like there were no repercussions, and even the gods are like, I am angry. I destroyed this chair and this whatever. I'm like,
Shadow, he killed the dragon for
Is
no
that all?
particular reason.
yeah, that's true. The poor dragon just
The
like
dragon is just sitting
Zeus,
there.
is, Zeus is just like an
And Zeus said,
egotistical maniac.
and
Yeah,
Zeus
I know,
is
right?
like, he says, this idea is an absolute unit or some shit like that. I'm like, what the fuck does that even mean?
R/fellow kids.
Yeah.
Too
But
many
yeah,
new
that-
age
No, but,
beings being
but like,
thrown in.
what an idiot, dude! Like, are you telling me that a Valkyrie, someone you consider like a bug beneath you, just baited you into killing a dragon out of anger for no reason? And what was the anger for? Oh, you think we can't kill humans? Let me kill this dragon to show you that I can kill humans. You
Yeah.
know my power completely, but let me just show you anyway.
Yeah,
Will I
I
lightning
think he-
strike it? No,
yeah.
I'll twist it out of existence.
They show his arm like bulge up, like roid up in like 2 seconds flat and just kill the dragon. Instead, he could have just be like, and just lightning zapped her
I
into
know.
ashes. That's it.
And I also read like Kengen Asura right after Record of Ragnarok, and the one thing I noticed throughout, like this seems to be like a thing between all fighting manga. There'll be a jab, there'll be a counter, and there'll be like an uppercut or something.
The
Everyone will
classic
use the
combo.
exact same moves,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
they'll all be called some fancy different name according to their style.
Well, yeah, that's
Corkscrew,
anime for.
the pile
That's
driver,
manga for you.
The bullet punch.
Oh my god.
But
Yeah,
like,
like you know
they
what?
did it so well in
This
Ippon.
guy's like, here is the secret technique, and then this guy uses the secret technique, and then flashback. This technique is actually a counter, but you see, it's a special counter because you use this, and then you do that, and then you're like, "Ping!"
yeah, just
God
call
damn
it as it is,
Fuck up,
Yeah.
it's a counter.
Yeah. like the boxing were like Ippo, Joe. They call it as it is. They don't add like special
Yeah.
names to it. Yeah, and it's fucking beautiful. But yeah, like the record of Ragnarok was even like. Did we
And-
talk about the?
Why
what-
do they
what you
feel
wanna say?
pain? They are dead. Why do they feel pain?
Who?
Why is that like a part? Like the fighters in Record of Ragnarok.
Oh,
why
yeah,
is that
yeah, yeah.
included in their
Mhm.
heavenly systems? Why do they have to feel pain?
I have no idea. I think the
How does
arena
that
itself. I
help
think the
in
arena
any way?
nerfs and buffs the nerfs the gods and buffs the humans to like par levels, and they're like, yeah, fuck it, both of you feel pain now.
No way. Also, they like we made special arena for Poseidon. It's filled with water.
Water.
Which
Yeah,
makes no sense because he
All
never
water
used the
around.
water, by the way.
Yeah, he never used the water. And I'm like, which idiotic human was like, I'm fighting a god and he wants to fight on his home turf. Sounds good to me.
Yeah, but after that they also did the Jack the Ripper in London, the London Stadium, right? So I think they were doing one.
Yeah, but
one,
if you're
one,
a
one.
god and you're telling a human, yeah, choose the spot, bitch,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
fuck
yeah.
you up. That's okay. If you're a human and you're like, you're the ancient Greek god of lightning, sure, you can choose the arena.
Yeah.
Lightning storm, that works. I like it.
Yeah.
I will die, but I like it. Sure.
running behind thunderbolts. Yes, running after.
Mhm.
Yes,
Like,
Yeah,
my
it's
God.
like
I too want to play on fucking hard mode.
yeah,
of
it's like
course.
Pokemon stadiums, where you put a fire Pokemon in the water gym against Misty, and you're like,
Yeah.
"Fuck, why the fuck did I put my Charmander in a fucking swimming pool?
No.
What the fuck is
No,
wrong
see, the
with
thing
me?"
is, this is more like, you don't have any Pokemon left. All the other Pokemon fainted, and you're like, shit, my starter is weak against this. Oh my god,
Fuck,
I'm
it
so
has to
screwed.
fight in a swimming
You
pool.
just have to hope to God.
Yeah,
it's like
and you
levels
just
ahead
hope
of
that
you.
your
fucking.
yeah, you just hope that your starter is strong enough to one hit KO it before it dies
Yeah,
to its super counter. Yeah, my
Uh,
god.
But yeah, a bit of absurd fighting mechanics over here. I wouldn't even call it fighting, just general placement mechanics at this point.
Yeah, and
But yeah,
another thing is like Thor fights with Mjolnir for some reason, and like Mjolnir like upgrades in power and shit. I'm like,
Oh,
hey,
yeah.
excuse me,
Oh,
you are
that was-
supposed to be. Are you fighting on a human level or no? On one hand, you seem to be human, punching people. On the other hand, magic hammer that upgrades and beats the hell out of everybody. Excuse me, choose one side. Where does this come from?
Yeah, they went freaking crazy. Yeah, like
Yeah, but I'm telling you, Buddha is actually, it's not ego at all. He's just like, I follow my own path and I will not be moved from the path by you false gods.
Yeah.
He's just a bows that way.
Yeah,
that's the
fine,
only part
yeah,
that
yeah.
probably panders to Guru.
Buddha was just like, hey,
yeah, he didn't give
I
a
fight
shit.
for the humans.
Yeah, I
And all
know.
the gods are like, hey, how dare you? They're like,
I
"What you
like
gonna
that."
do? What you gonna do? I'll fight all of you.
Yeah, Buddha totally cucked them. He's like, haha, you thought I was gonna fight for you? Fuck you.
Rebel.
But that was,
And
yeah.
Zeus is like, what do I do with him? I'm like, you can't do shit to Buddha.
You can't do shit to Buddha.
Like, my boy gonna win all the time.
Yeah, but even before, like the Shiva versus, what's his name? The
Raiden
samurai,
Tamemon.
right? Raiden Tam. Oh my god. Can I say,
Yeah, I don't
can I
remember
say
that dude's
this
name.
for the people? Like,
Tamemon.
I'm okay with the whatever they made the choices in the story, what they want to make, but for the people, for the people who have read it and who don't know, you see Parvati, Kali, Durga, like Kali and Durga are forms of Parvati. They are basically the same person but a different form. Avatars. You've heard of the word avatar? They are avatars of Parvati. Parvati is the OG one. And also you
introduction
see,
to Hindu
yeah.
mythology, there are three
So they're the
gods,
same person.
and every other god is just a form of the same fucking
Yeah, and also Shiva and was it Rudra? Yeah,
Rudra.
Shiva and
Rudra,
Rudra. Yeah. Rudra is an avatar of Shiva. It's the same person. He's fighting with another form of himself for some reason.
Also, mind you, for some reason, Kali was shown as a very conservative,
Yeah, which
shy
is weird,
person.
yeah.
While she is like,
She's
Embodiment
freaking
of
yeah,
the
she's
crazy.
like weapons in your face, murder
Yeah,
you
yeah.
right away.
She will
like
drink
she's
your
supposed
blood.
to be a brave warrior. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
She
Yeah.
was supposed to be the
Yeah, she
counter
like
to
murders
the Asuras.
demons left, right, and center. Yeah.
Yeah, that shit was freaking. I was like, what? Like, at least do your research. Like, even though you made those, I don't know if you did your research and chose to choose those as different characters.
Didn't do research.
Yeah, but I don't think he did the way he was showing. Like, Shiva and Rudra beat up all the freaking Indian gods. Like, what? Like,
Yeah,
what the
okay,
fuck?
okay. Before
What
I
the
even start on Vishnu, okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Before I even start on Vishnu,
Yeah.
Brahma is supposed to have 3 heads.
Yeah, he's supposed
Where
to
are
have
his other 2 heads? Or other 2 faces? It's missing.
He just chose to keep one.
He's
head
just a buff
just for
guy.
no reason.
I'm like,
He just looks like a
Excuse me?
monk. He just looks like a monk, like a
Yeah.
random
Yeah.
monk. Yeah.
like you know, Brahma is basically like the Japanese way of showing Buddha, where his heads turn according to the emotion he feels at the
Yeah.
time. And if he switches to anger, you're screwed.
Yeah, I think even
Screwed.
Brahma, who's called the creator in Hindu mythology, has like the 4. He does he have the angry face? And if he turns the angry face, is like full destruction, right? The same with Shiva as well. Basically,
but
if
again,
all 3
Shiva-
gods look at you the wrong way, you're screwed.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Again, how the way they showed Shiva's Tandav, dude, it's not a fucking random dance. It fucking destroys the world. That's what,
Fuck
like,
that, dude.
the way they showed
Uh,
this thing, Thor's hammer and all that, like,
Yeah.
strength, but it's just a random fucking, it's not a random fucking dance, you know, like, if you actually go into it, like, when he dances, fucking G.
it's not even like the end, you know. That's supposed to be like the charge up to what comes after the Tandava for some reason. And that's not like they show his third eye open. When in the Hindu mythology, if his third eye opens, that's it. Like the end of the universe.
Yes,
right
literally
there.
the end of the world. Yeah.
There's
Yeah,
nothing
and
left.
fucking
Everything
world.
burns. Everything his eye sees burns and
yeah.
dies.
Yeah.
So that third eye seems to be open almost all the time. And especially for a human, the human just looks at straight at it and just like fucking headbutts it at one point. So
Yeah,
they
they
were,
were-
"Hmm,
he
the guy
was
should be
very
bored
nerfed.
by now."
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was nerfed like crazy, dude.
Yeah, like
How
headbutting him, like that should have sent a laser shot
I
straight
know,
out, like
right?
like Cyclops from X-Men, just straight out through the human's head.
The
You know?
third eye should
Yeah.
have been taken its own identity. Like, hey, no,
Dude.
hitting here, fuck you.
The minute he revealed the third eye, there should have just been like 2 legs left on the
Yeah,
Colosseum,
that's it,
you know, like nothing else.
There should have been nobody
There should be-
behind
yeah,
him.
nobody.
Everyone
Yeah,
should have
yeah.
been burned to ash.
Yeah, there would be no one.
I'm pretty sure they just saw a picture of Shiva. They're like, oh, this dude seems to have an eye over here. Nice, interesting character design. Ah, I'm gonna open it.
They didn't
But
even
you
give
know-
him his Trishul, like he has a trident.
Yeah,
like
he has a
Trishul,
weapon.
right?
Yeah.
That's his
I
like
thought-
his weapon. They give
Which
it to
is-
Poseidon, but they don't give it to Shiva.
Yeah, they did draw trident at the end of the day. Shit.
Yes.
Didn't realize it.
Hmm.
But yeah, this is what we mean by they take a lot
Also,
of.
also, the four-armed form is not even like the
Yeah, that
form of
was.
Shiva, right?
Yeah, it's not his-
He's supposed to. Firstly, he's not supposed to be black or dark. He's just supposed to be blue for a very specific reason, because he like, and then his throat is supposed to be bluer because he
Yeah,
drinks
it's
the poison.
because he
and
drinks
saves
the
world.
poison. Exactly. Yeah. No, I think
And
I
he's
don't know
shown
if they
as
read
brown
about
as
it.
fuck over there.
He's
I
shown
no, I
brown
think
in
they
the
read
anime.
about. I think they read about the thing, like in a lot of our paintings we used to show dark skinned people as blue, like so they're like, oh, Shiva also maybe, yeah, that, so
yeah,
maybe they
but
did
see,
that.
that's kind of a leap to take in research, because if
I
they
know,
actually
I know,
flagged the
exactly.
whole eye thing, then they could have just been like, oh, his skin is also blue. Fuck it, his skin is blue.
Yeah. No, but yeah, that was like, and also holy shit, bro.
This is, yeah.
How disappointed we were with Vishnu.
No, hold on.
Yeah.
Before that, Indra, for some reason,
Oh, yeah,
doesn't look
Indra!
Indian at all.
Dude, yeah,
He looks
Indra
cool,
looks.
don't get me wrong,
Yeah.
but he
looks
doesn't look
cool.
Indian at all.
He doesn't look Indian, and he doesn't look like Indra, like what Indra is supposed to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Indra
looks-
ain't
No,
like.
see, I wouldn't even mind the character if he was given some respect and importance
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
story.
yeah.
He's just like a random side character. He's just like, yeah, Shiva gonna win.
Yeah, and he's
For-
smoking for some reason.
those who don't know, and Indra is actually not that popular a god outside of India, anyways. But Indra is basically Hindu mythology's version of Zeus. He is the king of the gods in the Hindu
But
mythology.
no one really respects him
Yeah,
that
but
much.
no one really respects him that much. If ever anything happens to Indra, Indra is like, Shiva, hello, Vishnu, hello, please help.
He's a guy with like a really short temper, you know. That's how he usually is. But yeah.
But in the manga, anyways, he's shown as this top of the hill sort of dude, you know, the final boss. Well, technically final boss, but he's still shown as a very cool dude, but then he has given no character whatsoever.
Yeah, he just looks cool. He doesn't do shit.
Yeah, he
just
doesn't do
stands
shit.
there and he's like,
And smoking,
Shiva
yeah,
gonna
he's smoking, yeah.
don't disrespect Shiva. Don't underestimate him. Rudra, you're here. I'm like, hey, can you do anything right now?
Yeah, he's.
Why And why did Shiva just beat you in your backstory off screen? And you just like, he's the king of the gods now. I guess I am just a god, just
Yeah.
here doing nothing.
I'm just smoking some of Shiva's ganja.
Yeah.
But yes.
Also, yeah. So Shiva is supposed to be the
King.
basically the whole 420 is basically Shiva.
Shiva,
because
yeah.
it's supposed to be a
420,
tribute
yeah.
to him because he's the god of weed, so to speak. He smokes weed.
Exactly.
That's the idea behind it.
We shall censor that
And
part out.
Datura.
They didn't show him. No, but that's a legitimate thing. That's
It
a
is.
lot of
Yeah.
Shiva worshippers in the past used to smoke and dance. That's
Even
what
now,
they did.
yeah. It's actually a
Also,
thing.
my family is a family of Shiva worshippers, so they have clearly not told me a few things in life.
But yes, let's get to
Like
the.
my family meaning my whole ancestor line, not my current immediate family.
Yeah.
please.
But yes,
But yes,
the meat
Yeah.
and bones of it.
Okay.
Vishnu.
Okay.
that was a
Even though my
fucking
family
depressing.
is basically my ancestry is Shiva worshippers. I used to love Vishnu as a kid. Okay, Vishnu was like the god. He's like the god of the gods. Okay,
He is
not
the
king of
coolest
the
one.
gods. He was
Yeah.
like the god of the gods. Okay, other gods would rush to him and be like, "Please help me. I am suffering. I need help fighting this
Yeah.
demon or doing this thing."
And he'd
Vishnu
just
would
be like
sitting
chilling.
on a
Yeah, like
giant
this.
serpent which
Yeah,
he
yeah,
beat,
yeah.
and he's like, "I guess I'll help you.
I guess I'll help you and I'll send my
Just be
Dude.
chilling there.
And mind you,
Vishnu always was the
he
coolest.
never comes in his original form. Okay,
Yes.
he's too cool for that. He sends an avatar of himself with like a fraction of his power, and he fucks everything up. Okay, like he has 10 avatars. Okay, and the 10th one, according to Hindu mythology, hasn't come
Hasn't
yet. Because
come
when
yet.
the 10th one comes, the world will be raised.
Yeah,
It's,
yeah.
R-A-Z-E-D.
It's quite a
Not R.
and
Yeah.
yeah. And like his first form was supposed to be a giant fish which literally birthed life itself. And his one form of his was supposed to be half lion, half man to beat a prophecy that he
coolest
can't
form,
be
by
killed
the
by
way.
man or beast.
Yep.
And there's one form where he literally becomes a woman. So basically, the gods and the demons, the asuras, are fighting. They're basically working together at the start to churn out what is called the elixir of the gods. It is Amrit.
Amrit,
And,
yeah.
They churn it out, and there's a huge amount of poison that gets released, and Shiva drinks the poison to save everybody.
And catches
And
it in
then
his throat,
the-
and that's why he's blue.
yeah,
Yeah.
and the gods are trying to. The gods and Asuras start fighting over the Amrit. Basically, they backstab each other, and they go to Vishnu to help because they don't know what to do. They don't know how to rid the Asura away. So
Yeah.
Vishnu literally becomes a woman called Mohini, and she goes down and she tricks the Asuras and makes sure that the gods get the Amrit, thereby securing their immortality while the Asuras are defeated. He didn't even come down to like destroy them. He was like, I could do that,
Yeah.
but is that any fun? Nah.
And also he becomes Krishna that all
Yes.
foreigners
Probably
know.
the most popular.
You must have heard of him. Yeah,
god
Krishna.
in the
Maybe this will
Maybe.
depend.
You would have heard something
In
called
fact,
ISKCON.
Krishna became so iconic that he set off a whole religion of his own.
Yeah, exactly.
And also Rama or Ram,
Yes,
which
yes.
literally Japan, US, and India came together to make a movie about.
Yes.
Beautiful movie, by the way. You should
Beautiful
check it out.
movie. Yes.
This dude is Rama's voice actor. So Bryan Cranston.
Bryan Cranston, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Walter White himself.
In his younger
Like,
days,
see,
voiced Ram.
Just to explain.
And a lot of
Just to
what?
explain, none of us are like offended that our
Yeah, we
gods
are not
weren't given
offended.
enough respect.
Mhm.
It's just like there's no research done. It's so blatantly obvious that
Yeah,
he just
yeah.
pulled out
Yeah.
whatever he could from a basic internet search.
Also, some people also believe that Buddha is supposed to be an avatar of Vishnu, right? It's something that
Yeah.
some people. Yeah, it's something that some people do believe actually.
Very different beliefs in life in general for the two of them, but
I know, right? It's quite different, but there are groups who believe in different
very,
things.
very
Yes.
different.
Even I find it really strange, but yeah, it exists, so I had to put
There
it
must
out
be
there.
an
Yeah.
explanation behind it, but yeah.
Mhm.
No,
But yeah.
but like Vishnu is shown as like some, I don't know, like
And this is in the manga, mind you.
looks like some Bane all for one mixture wannabe. That's all I can describe.
All
him
I
as.
saw was an emo goth punk. Just
Man, that Vishnu
Doing
was fucking
nothing.
depressing to look at, dude.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that was like
The
that was
fuck?
that was when I was like, okay, you know what? You've taken it too far now. Okay.
And like they didn't. Okay,
Yeah.
Like that's supposed to be a
Sad.
super cool god.
Supposed to be the strongest, like, arguably,
Yeah.
but yeah.
okay. I have a
Can't
slight
just
I have
show
a
him as
weird
like this
theory about why
Weird
they
goth
showed.
face mask wearing, I don't know what, emo kid in the corner just drooping. I don't know what.
I have a weird theory about why they're showing Hindu gods in such a smaller light right now. They're probably setting them up for like a future this thing, where the Hindu gods are going to probably rebel against the god pantheon, the ultimate pantheon, against all the mythologies, and they're going to probably show.
I don't think.
Why would
And,
they
and
do
Vishnu
that?
is just sitting
There's
back
no
and just
reason.
taking like a backseat role and just watching as usual. And he's like, okay, when this shit happens, then I'm going to be like, I am the one
Dude,
here
but-
to fuck
Or
everything up."
Audie, how about this theory? How about this theory? It just occurred to me. They did no research.
Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't do
That's
shit.
it.
Very possible this thing, but
I
it
think,
is just a
Audie, you have
theory.
too much hope. I don't think they're
Again,
gonna
yeah,
do that
yeah.
with the Indian gods at all.
That is
It was
possible,
the
yeah.
dude. It was so obvious, like the way they did. They're like, "Ooh, okay, Lubu versus this. Of course, Thor is gonna win." And then Sasaki Kojiro. Oh, of course, Sasaki Kojiro is gonna win. But yeah, it was quite pretty. But yeah,
But,
it's expected. Like
very
um,
poor representation of the Hindu.
we
gods.
saw this coming. Remember,
Did
Bro, you were like, "This is gonna be fucking banned in India, 100%."
Oh, yeah.
Of course,
Yeah,
yeah.
the band.
It was
thing, yeah.
expected. Like it was expected.
I think the second
No
we
way,
saw.
no way Indians take this
I
way.
think
Yeah,
the
there's
sec-
no
the
way
second we
they
saw
take this. I
Shiva's
think-
wives, it was there. Like it
Yeah.
was sealed.
No, you know what? Maybe they get past Shiva's wives, but then the minute he lost an arm, they're like, burn this shit to the ground right now.
That
Yeah,
is
the
true,
minute-
I forgot about
Oh,
that.
no.
Destroy it.
Dude, the minute
War
they
with
showed,
Japan to destroy this manga right
not
now.
even that far, the minute they show Zeus put him down, they're like, fuck this shit. I bet you they
Yeah.
did that. How dare you put down Shiva is what they probably said. But yeah,
Probably, yes.
we're probably the most sane this thing
Rational
people who
amongst
rational
this.
people who are talking about this among
And
in our country,
again,
I would say.
We are speaking from a more anime and story perspective about this. It's just
Yeah, we're not.
Portraying
None of us
people.
are religious.
Hmm.
We are like none of us are religious, so yeah, like we don't have anything in it for that.
it feels
But
kind
we
of
know
stupid
about these
to reiterate
stories.
the same point 20
Maybe we
times
shouldn't
over.
say that either.
No, but I,
All of
I,
us
I say,
I have puja room. Kitchen puja room. Om,
I think
om.
we all have
well,
puja
we all
rooms
have
at this
puja
point.
rooms. Yeah, we all have. But see, we know we grew up hearing these stories and reading, so we know about these stories. That's also like that's why we're talking about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like it's not nationalistic or religious pride, you know. It's like such
Yeah,
a
it's not,
gross
yeah.
misrepresentation of a culture.
Mhm.
And I would have been just as pissed if they did this to some other religion that I really
Yeah.
liked, because mythology is really interesting.
Hmm.
Okay, it shows you
That's
the
what
fucked
it
up
is.
things that humans talk about and worship. So it's like really interesting in many ways. So if you just screw it up this bad, it just, I don't know, it feels bad, man. Like why would you
Yeah, it
waste so
actually
much
sucks.
potential?
Yeah, like if you see, yeah, mythology is like, very interesting topic, and we know the popular ones out there, and we know Hindu mythology isn't very popular outside. But yeah, just do it right. That's all we expect from you. Yeah.
Also, okay, now I know using Roman mythology would have been like, the same form, but they did it for Hindu mythology. How come there were no Roman gods?
Yeah, how come there were no Roman gods? They showed
and,
like
and then no Egyptians, no Egyptian gods at all.
dude,
Like, they're all
Egyptians would have
missing.
been Egyptians would have been so fucking cool. I'm not even kidding. I would have
Aren't
loved to
Roman
see
gods
that shit,
and
right?
Greek gods nearly the same thing? Aren't they like kind of the copy?
Yeah,
of-
they're just they're just slightly different.
The names are
in
different.
personality.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
I mean,
Names
the
are
names
different, and their
but then-
personalities are slight.
Hmm.
No, even their personalities are different.
Yeah,
They're
you
not
don't
the
call them Greek.
same
You
as
call
they
them
are.
Roman. Yeah.
Yeah.
But then,
It's
like,
Mars,
wouldn't they be
not
portraying the
Ares.
same thing
And-
because there's Ares and Mars who both resemble
Uh-huh.
the god of
They-
war?
But they're supposed to be different. They're not the same
They are
person.
they stand for different principles
Yeah.
and they do different things. They're not the exact same. They
Mhm.
are
I
there are
guess,
very
yeah, that would make
key differences.
Yeah, that would make like an interesting clash between beliefs. Yeah, it would be nice to watch. But yeah,
But why no Egyptians, dude?
Yeah, that
Yeah,
was
they're
very
cool as
odd.
shit.
No Egyptians
I would have
at
loved
all.
to see Egyptians. My God, like freaking Bast and
Actually, I'm not
Iris,
sure. You know what? I
Horus.
take that back. Like, what if Ra just comes out to fight and then he punches people and they're like, "Hey, you're literally
Oh, yeah, that would
looking
be
at the
sad.
fucking
Wait,
sun."
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
you're looking at the sun.
Actually, it's good they didn't get Egyptians. It saved it saved the images
Yeah.
of those characters. Yeah. It did
Like, could you
destroy that.
imagine how pissed I would get? I don't. If Anubis just died to a
Oh
human,
yeah, that
I
would be so
pissed.
depressing. Yeah, I would be pissed. Yeah.
Osiris just dies to a human. Fucking irony of the world.
You know, Osiris is still like fine. Osiris is not a fighter.
He's still
Anubis
like
is
yeah.
literally
Anubis is
a
like
wolf
yeah.
spirit who comes to fuck you up.
Exactly.
Osiris
Yeah,
is
if
the king
like-
of the dead. He literally cannot die if he tried hard enough. How if he dies?
Gods can die here. And also, where was Hades, by the way?
They
Hades
showed
was just
Hades
missing.
in
He was
the
out of the fucking
flashback,
picture.
right? They showed him in one
Yeah.
flashback. Yeah. When they
Where is
showed-
he in the current situation? You're telling me the god of the underworld is not going to be, is not even the slightest bit important when souls are being destroyed
Yeah, kind
in
of.
a
He's
war,
just like, yo,
apparently.
I'm waiting here, just kill those humans and send me those souls.
Yeah, seeing how the
And then,
Greek.
and then he's like, the second soul is coming. Poseidon? What are you doing here?
Dude,
Well,
imagine
makes sense
if
that
they
you'd go to hell. Yes, yes.
if they end humanity, all the humans will be in hell basically with Hades.
Yeah.
He'll be like, fuck this shit. Should actually fight for the humans to try to prevent that. Prevent
Please
overpopulation.
open up Elysium. I need fucking room right now. Too many people.
Well, makes sense to me.
Yeah.
Like, but seriously though, they're like,
Poor.
and also like you know this was a basic look on all the gods because there were no deeper gods being shown at all. Like you didn't have so many different gods from Norse mythology and
Oh,
Greek
yeah,
mythology
yeah,
who
yeah.
could have at least been shown, if not outright
Exactly.
fighting.
They
But
do
it was-
show Odin's
Was
crows,
Fenrir there?
Odin and
I didn't
Odin.
see Fenrir. Huh?
Who the fuck cares about Odin's
No, they
crows
show
when
that
there are
much
a million
depth.
other gods who are missing.
No, they show that much depth,
Oh.
but they fail to show like other gods on top of that, which is what
No.
confuses me. They show his crows over there sitting next to him, even though the crows are like there every now and then because they are off doing some errand for Odin or looking at some shit for Odin. I don't know.
Yeah, and so weirdly Loki is supposed to be like an antagonist in Norse mythology because he literally brings about Ragnarok, and there is no
Yeah.
Fenrir.
Yeah, that's what. There's no Fenrir. That's what I was saying. Yeah. There's no Fenrir. I was so surprised. Even
That
like
actually-
Freya
yeah,
and
that
all these
actually
other
leads
gods, like
into
none
my
of them
next-
were there.
Yeah, Freya is missing. But
Yeah,
are you telling me
Freya's-
Fenrir, the creature that is supposed to bring the start of Ragnarok, is missing from Ragnarok?
Yeah, from Ragnarok. That's what. I was like, what the fuck?
They could have at least
He had
shown
one
the wolf in
job
like a
to
background
start
or something.
Ragnarok.
Yeah.
They could have shown him talking to the Valkyrie, like, "Psst, psst, psst, start Ragnarok, please."
I know.
At least
right?
that.
The end fight.
Okay, I
is
wouldn't
going
have
to be-
liked it, but I would have been like, okay,
Yeah.
you know what? At least they showed him. At least he was there. At least he exists in this universe.
Dude,
they
they
don't.
missed a
They
lot.
don't show mythical creatures, or they don't show like.
Even
anti-
Greek, they only
creatures-
showed the
they don't
popular
show
ones.
creatures that
Wait,
aren't gods.
hold on,
basically. Which
No,
is
even the Greek, they only showed the
Fenrir
popular
is a
Greek
god. He's the son of Loki.
Huh?
Who is Ari talking about?
No, I'm not talking
Fenrir
about like.
is technically
Oh,
a god.
Fenrir.
No,
Yeah,
he's
Fenrir
technically
is.
a
Yeah.
god, but then he's not like worshipped as a god. He's more so seen as a beast of the.
Hercules is.
Hercules is a man-made god. He's a different
demigod.
concept of god at the end of the. He's still a god.
He's a demigod. He's not a full god.
Yeah.
He's
he's
worshipped
half,
as the god of courage. Fenrir, on the other hand, is told to bring about the end of the world itself, the end of the god.
Which is literally what happens here. It
Yeah,
is
it's
the end of the
Ragnarok.
gods.
It's
But he's not seen
Ragnarok.
as a god. Is my point. He's another.
No, but
beast.
they didn't show a lot. They
Alright,
didn't
but
show
that's his
Trill,
job.
they didn't show
His
Freya.
entire purpose
Yeah.
in life is to start Ragnarok.
Yeah. They didn't show a lot of
Like
Norse
the-
gods. Yeah.
Yeah, like Fenrir is literally chained in an island because the Norse gods are like, this dude could start Ragnarok. Let's keep him out of reach from us. And they're like, Ragnarok started anyway. Ha ha ha. Guess we chained that wolf up for no reason. Wait, there is one god.
Dude, they didn't
thought
even
of in
show
Norse mythology, I forgot.
hell. Hell, dude. They didn't show hell.
Yeah, they didn't show it.
Yeah,
They
that's
didn't show
the big
Hel,
one.
they didn't show Uller, the guy who put his hand into Fenrir's mouth like an idiot.
I think the guy just knew. He's like, okay, I know Odin, I know Thor,
They
I know
didn't show
Loki. Done.
Tyr. Like I think they could have at
Oh
least
yeah,
shown the gods.
Freyr, the brother of Freya.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
they're like 5
He's
brothers.
supposed to
right?
also be the. No, these two are supposed to be like
Freyr and Freya.
a duo who take care of different things. Like other gods in Greek mythology as well. I think
Athena.
Artemis.
Athena,
Athena.
Artemis,
Oh.
yeah. Apollo.
Helios, god of the sun.
Hermes was there,
Like,
but yeah,
like
he was
God-
just a
God damn it,
messenger.
just put in
yeah.
like Dionysus or something and make him
Yeah.
drink wine. That is
Yeah,
that.
Dionysus
Exactly.
Is wine? Dionysus is this guy, no?
No, Dionysus is
That's
wine.
Diogenes. Okay. That's Bacchus, right? The god of wine.
Bacchus
the
is
god of
Roman.
wine.
Yeah,
Ah,
Roman.
okay.
Dionysus is the Greek god of wine.
Greek, yeah.
Like, okay, but now before anyone thinks like I'm just being Brew and I'm hating on things, okay, I love the Percy Jackson series, beautiful. Like the way they took the
fucking beautiful.
modern take on Greek mythology, then Norse mythology, then Egyptian mythology,
He
then
did it
Roman
very
mythology, then
well.
brought everything together. Beautiful, loved
did
it.
very well,
Read
actually,
almost
yeah.
every book until
Almost
he started rehashing a lot of things.
Yeah. Religiously, we read the
Percy
whole
Jackson
thing. Yeah.
movies.
We don't talk about the movies. We do not talk about the
Disgusting.
movies.
Destroyed every bit.
Yeah, it
took
destroyed
every story
everything.
from
Yeah,
mythology
yeah.
and then took a giant dump on it immediately.
Yeah. Like when we were in school, Percy Jackson was like something we used to look forward. Oh shit, the new book is out. We remember we used to buy it and
Dude,
read it, right?
Percy Jackson was one of the books was my first ebook because I was like, Dad, I will read
Yeah.
this on my little ass 3-inch phone. I will read it. Get
Yeah.
me this shit right now.
Yeah. And Age of Mythology, we played that shit religiously for years. We were
Fucking
like,
age of
of course.
mythology.
So yeah, it's just that they didn't.
History,
it's not a good
history
adaptation.
and mythology. Yeah, we've been fascinated by it since
Also-
our childhood.
Small question: why was Achilles not there as the fighter for the humans? He's literally
I know, dude. I
dude
thought of
who
this.
has
I was
fought
thinking.
everybody.
He's a human. He's a hero that has been told about quite a few times. The hero of Troy, fucking Achilles, died by an arrow to his fucking head.
Yeah. And not.
And
I was also
and,
thinking
Perseus.
Perseus. Yeah, all the heroes, like all the human heroes, right?
Mm,
Actual heroes. For
Theseus. Jason.
Theseus,
yeah.
Odysseus. Yeah, all these guys.
Odysseus.
But but I was also like, why didn't the Valkyrie just like rise, like give this to the Titans again so they could fight the gods? That would have
That
like
is
you
true.
can protect the Titans will
Hold on.
straight up
hold on.
fight the
They show
gods.
That part is off limits. That part is off limits. Okay, we don't touch the Titans. No, that is too.
Yeah,
no, that's
apparently.
Getting
getting
into God of
no.
War territory, and that might get us sued.
No, that's getting into Brew territory, and I'm not okay with it.
But yeah, they could have just done that. Like you don't even need humans. You know, you could be like, yo,
Yeah,
come up, Gaia, kill this bitch.
they could have brought in the
Yeah.
what is the Jotuns from Norse mythology. They could have gotten the Asuras from Hindu mythology. They could have gotten literally so many antagonists from all
And
mythologies.
that's a weird thing, right? They show Shiva like fight two asuras. Where are the
Which
rest?
one?
Like
Where are the main asuras?
They just off screen them, dude. There was one dude he fought, main guy. They fought like
oh,
one army,
Shamba,
and then they fought two
Shumba,
bosses.
something. I remember this.
Yeah,
Shamba. Ah.
There are like 5 million different asuras around the fucking world in Hindu mythology. Show at least one of them.
Yeah, show one
why
of
he's
them.
like that good.
But never. They could have shown.
Yeah, they
Ashoka
could have
for
shown
the
like they
humans.
could have shown. Well, they didn't have any Indian human representations, right?
I don't
So-
think they had any Indian god representation either. Everything was just weak as shit at the end of the day.
Yeah,
No, you know what? I'm even okay with Indian humans not being represented
Yeah,
because the most likely were like people who prayed to the gods and then got like some wish of theirs come true. Not really warriors who fought the gods because that's like no.
or like forms of gods who are
Even
like
the Greek
humans,
ones
yeah.
got like boons from other gods to kill. Like Perseus got his
Yeah.
shield and sword from Zeus, right? Because he himself is supposed to be half son
Was,
of Zeus.
who was it that got the bloody fleece? Was it Perseus?
I think Perseus got the fleece. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
I remember
like so
Kratos,
many
but
things
then-
in Greek
yeah.
mythology. there's so many artifacts from Greek mythology which can be used to fight against the gods. Instead, they were like Hercules fought. Hercules had the tasks. We shall take each task and make it put a strain on his body. He went through the tasks, straining his body,
Yeah,
but
but
we shall put more strain
See,
on
they
body.
showed Hercules, but like they could have shown more. If they, of course, they didn't do research. They could have shown like the Arjuna, Bhima, Karna, all those
Yeah, the
characters
Pandavas,
also, right? Yeah. So
Okay, one thing I was very felt weird about. They were showing Hercules' labors, as you said, on his hammer. At one point, I was
Yeah.
expecting an apple because he retrieves an apple. So I'm like, what is he going to do with the apple? I wonder. He's just going to swing the apple back at Jack the Ripper and just hope for the best.
Is the apple golden? I don't remember.
It doesn't matter. He goes to retrieve an
It
apple.
does! It's supposed to be a golden apple!
yeah.
Is it? Oh, okay. But even so, like, it's supposed to be like he's showing beasts that he fought before, and one of them is like retrieve an apple from where was it, Elysium or the Tree of Life or some? Oh shit!
What happened?
Bruce Striper nearly fell. I think Holmes pushed it again. But
But yes.
He not only pushed it, he moved one of the legs and
oh yeah,
let it
it
go out
balanced
of
it,
yeah.
But yeah, basically.
My biggest gripe with the whole humans getting weapons thing is they show Valkyries getting, or they show Valkyries being turned into weapons by the way of Volund, or the process of the Valkyrie kind of merging with a worthy human warrior so that the human warrior gets a weapon of their choice that can kill a god, basically. Interesting concept, stupid on its own, but fuck it, My problem with it is, in this scenario, they show this whole dramatic moment of Valkyries dying when other humans die and shit like that, and they're like, oh, Valkyrie dying, oh fucking hell. When my problem is that in Norse mythology, for just to pick one, they show dwarves making weapons for the gods that can kill gods, mind you. They
Isn't
show
Volund like a smith himself. It's like the name is from there. Yeah.
huh?
Volund is like a smith himself, right?
Was it?
Himself. I'm
all
not
the
sure,
better.
but yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But like basically
That's where I think it comes from.
the smiths behind Mjolnir, Brock and Eitri, they are the ones who made the weapons for Thor, and they are the ones who made weapons for multiple people, mind you. They are like smiths at the end of the day. So my question is, why didn't they just employ these two to make weapons for these guys? Like there are so many different
Because
ways
they
of
wanted
getting
to
weapons.
add the emotion of Valkyries dying.
It's such a needless
You know, when
addition
Audi
to the
was
whole
talking about why do they turn into weapons, I'm like, Audi, you need to watch shows like Guilty Crown. You'll be more familiar with stuff like
But
that.
Guilty Crown makes you feel things.
No, you
Yeah.
said watch.
Here I was
Soul
like,
Eater,
oh, boo-hoo, Valkyrie.
Yeah, I know,
fucking
right?
died.
Dude,
Sucks to be
we
human.
didn't get enough about the Valkyrie to
Yeah.
care about the Valkyrie. We just see it once and it becomes a weapon and it dies.
You asked me to watch
Yeah.
Soul Eater to this thing, and I
Oh,
I
yeah,
can
Soul
understand
Eater
like Death,
also.
Death the Kid has what the Thompson sisters, if I
Yeah,
remember correctly.
yeah, exactly.
So and there is I forgot the Scythe guy,
Tsubaki is the weapon. Black Star and Tsubaki, yeah.
Blacks. So they're basically
No, he's talking about this thing.
the Scythe boy. But basically, you get my point, right? You still relate to those characters even though they are human weapons, so to speak. You're given a relation with them. So it is an interesting concept. But here you're just like, if anything, it just makes
No, see,
Brunhilde
here,
look
buddy,
like a
here's
fucking
where you're
villain.
wrong, okay? I'll tell you what, here's where you're wrong, okay? You see, the thing is, from the minute you started Soul Eater, you knew that if they died, they died. You know when it's mentioned in Record of Ragnarok that you will die if you die?
When the human
After
dies.
they die.
After they die.
Yeah, after
you
they die.
don't know until they die.
I
Okay,
see.
the first person dies and they're like, oh, he died! And then the other one's like, knew that from before, sucks to be them.
Even that
So-
little the boy or girl next to the
The girl,
Brunhilde
yeah.
finds
Yeah.
out at the same time. She's like, oh, they die. Holy shit, I had no clue.
Yeah, she
So, yeah.
throws these fucking tantrums every single time. I'm like, this is kind of expected after. Okay, the first time, sure. Second time,
No, that's the thing,
given.
they wanted to go for this big emotional reveal.
Yeah, like-
oh, Valkyrie dies along with human. And
it's
I'm
kind of
like,
expected, isn't it? At this point.
Yeah. Yeah, it was
But,
freaking.
Again, if anything, it just shows Brunhilde in a more badder light, because she is just portrayed as this person who's like, oh, I am the eldest of the Valkyries. Okay, what do I do with my sisters? I shall sacrifice them in the name of humanity. I'm like, bitch, there are 3 different methods of getting weapons for the humans. Why not just use those? Why do you have to sacrifice your sisters? What thought
Will
process
she-
You know
went
that nobody
into this?
exists other than these gods and these Valkyries and
Yeah.
these humans.
The dwarves just
Don't you know
mysteriously vanished. You know, Fenrir did not exist.
No,
I
in the
think
last
the-
council of the gods, they were like, these dwarves too annoying. Out.
Yeah.
Dead.
I
You're just
think
looking at a couple.
They're setting it up
Huh?
for I think Brunhilde to be the last weapon. I'm guessing. Whoever
Possibly.
it is.
Yeah, Brunhilde is supposed to be one of the human representatives, seeing as how she
Mhm.
started the whole thing. So I'm
Mm.
assuming she's going to be the last fight.
Yeah,
But-
yeah.
They show Mjolnir, they show Odin, so Gungnir has to be there. Fenrir doesn't exist, so Gleipnir isn't there.
Dead.
So, they show mythical weapons, they show all this shit, and then somehow their best excuse for a weapon for a human is like, I shall sacrifice my sisters for it. All that mythology just went to shit at that point.
Well, you know, in Greek mythology, it's the Cyclops who are supposed to be working, and the Cyclops are either one, imprisoned and enslaved by Poseidon, or two, kind of living free but still imprisoned and
Yes, yes.
enslaved by
The
everyone
Cyclops
else.
are
Or
sons of
Hephaestus
Poseidon.
makes. No.
Are they the
the
son?
fuck?
Weren't they the son of some god? Or the
Those
offspring
are a
of some
few
god?
Cyclops.
Those are not
very
all-
few select
yeah.
Cyclops. Cyclops are basically the Titans' brothers and sisters.
Yeah, most
The
Cyclops.
Cyclops are the children of Gaia.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I thought they were like the.
But
There are some demigod
But they
Cyclops that
aided-
gods like fuck Cyclops and have Cyclops
and
children.
Poseidon had Cyclops
Yeah, he
kids,
did
but
exactly.
The majority
Yeah.
of the Cyclops are children
Direct
of Gaia who
descendants.
help the gods fight the Titans, and then the gods were like, you know what would be a great slave? You, yeah, go make weapons, bitch.
Yeah.
And then either underwater making weapons, or they're in a mountain making weapons, or Hephaestus makes the weapons,
Hephaestus,
or Athena just
exactly,
goes
yeah.
and kills
Yeah.
people she wants. So
Yeah.
there is nobody to make weapons in the Greek world. So those, I mean, there were no
Conveniently
Greek
enough.
warriors, so it didn't matter. But that's probably one.
You know,
Who-
fuck it.
Who
Zeus
needs
was just
weapons
like-
when you have your fist? Who needs weapons when you have a fist?
No, Zeus was just like, you know what? I don't like the fact that like Odin, you have too many people making weapons. I have like bitch Cyclopses over here. Sure, they're my brothers and they literally helped me get on the throne. But fuck him, I'm gonna kill those boys first. And then the next council, Odin was like, I'm out of weapons. Fuck the Cyclops. And Zeus is like, shit, fine, fuck him up.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, just taking a quick look at this. You don't have Isis, who never shown. Isis,
Yeah, I said
I think
Isis.
it's
Egyptian
important.
gods are never there.
Isis,
Horus.
Horus, yeah, exactly. I mentioned these
And-
ones. They never showed up.
Yeah, the biggest
Bast,
one for me.
Sekhmet, all these ones,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, the biggest one for me that you mentioned was Seth,
Yeah.
because
Seth
Seth
is
is
the-
supposed to be like an incarnation of violence and
Yeah,
inferno,
exactly. Yeah.
who destroys everything and tricks people, and he's just apparently not important enough to be shown over here.
Apparently, he's not.
The whole Egyptian pantheon is like, does it exist anymore?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, and like even what's the Egyptian god of knowledge?
Pan? Is it Pan?
Thoth.
No, Thought. Yeah,
No,
Pan
Thoth,
is the
Thoth.
Greek
Yeah,
one.
Thoth.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, Pan is the
Mhm.
Greek. Yeah, they didn't show Thoth either. Like you could
Yeah,
have
they didn't
shown
show
him,
Thought.
right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mhm.
He could have been like, I'm here to do some research for my Egyptian gods. Like,
But
a
I-
human struggling.
I think it would be a bit tough to draw the heads of Thoth and everyone else because they're all animal heads.
So, bro, that guy can draw. They can draw. The
I don't know.
illustrator can draw.
I'm trying to find an excuse for them not putting in the Egyptian pantheon of all things.
Just didn't come
no
up with it.
excuse.
They just
lack
didn't
of
think about it.
research.
They had a good base, but they
Dude,
didn't build on it.
The
Yeah.
biggest, one of the other religions missed from these guys. The Mayan and the Incas, the Aztec gods.
You can't have everything, dude. Like
You know what? I am okay with
Yeah.
excluding the Mayans and the Incas.
man.
Okay,
Okay.
I
they
would
are
want
like
to see
they are
that.
like so. You have information in abundance about
that is
everything.
true.
The Mayans and the
Yeah,
Incas
yeah.
are still like very hard to get.
That is true. But yeah, you still have gods and their Their mythologies are also very.
The Egyptians are one of the popular ones. You know, they're more popular than Hindu mythology. Most of the world knows Egyptian mythology a lot more. Yeah. So it makes sense. But yeah, maybe they just didn't come up with that.
I don't know. Tons of things missed out. Tons of holes. Tons of
Yeah.
misrepresentations, if you will. It just. And overall, like I said in the beginning, empty experience. Lot of things could have been added to just spice this up, and I'm pretty sure it was not even like a creative from a creative aspect of it. They could have just done a bit of research and upped it from like a 2 to a 7 easily.
One last question before our final thoughts. They show Jesus just standing in one corner. He's like, I am on Buddha's side. Why can't Jesus fight? You made Adam fight.
Yeah, I know, right?
You showed Jesus.
Dude,
You can make Buddha fight.
That
If you
too
can
with
make
the
Buddha,
freaking-
man.
He
Yeah.
had a prayer
The man
wheel
who
staff
swore
or
off-
some shit. Yeah.
Yeah, a man who swore off all materialistic goods and wouldn't hurt a fly, wouldn't hurt a lion if it was attacking him. They made him fight. And Jesus, the man who is known in the Bible for whipping greedy merchants in a church, he isn't fighting.
No, for some reason they show him as a prophet, whereas Buddha is not a prophet anymore. He's a straight up God. Even though both of them kind of share the same principle of attaining enlightenment, albeit different methods.
But I'm glad they made Buddha fight in the human side, because like Buddha always said, do not treat me as a god, do not worship me. I'm not what you're supposed to worship. If they made him a god and he actually fought on the side of the gods, I would have just thrown the manga out. I would have been like,
No,
yeah,
dude, but
return
at
Amazon,
least-
return please, I don't want this anymore.
But you can assume that, like, again, Japanese, you still have a lot of information. You know a lot about Buddha without. So yeah, that's okay.
Another weird thing
But
you
yeah.
guys saw was that Buddha was shown with fangs. Do you guys know why again?
It's a choice, character design choice, I guess.
Vampire Buddha.
I can do a quick.
I thought it was like an Asura representation of Buddha, or he's like an Oni.
Why would they show Buddha as an Asura? My god.
I have no idea. I don't know why the fuck they decided to add
Clearly,
fangs.
they don't give a shit about Asura.
Yeah,
Asura's
clearly.
okay.
Yeah, that is true. But then to add just random
Yeah, that
fangs
Shiva's
of Buddha like
backstory was like terrible. Shiva's backstory was so like, oh my, I don't even know what to
I
say
think
about
Shiva's backstory
It was
was
just
just like
sad.
a copy paste of the whole Olympic backstory, Olympus hierarchy. It was basically Zeus kind of going up the ladder of gods and kind of becoming the king of gods himself. That's basically how I saw it. Whereas here in the Hindu mythology, it's a bit more complicated than that.
Yeah,
Even in the Hindu hierarchy, there are like multiple hierarchies.
Okay, I am done with researching this because nobody's talked about it, but I seem to be on a Tumblr post where somebody is simping over
Tumblr.
Buddha and talking about how they want Buddha to bite them, and I'm out.
Yeah, I think you went to the wrong
Much.
place. Too much internet for the
entered
day.
a wrong rabbit hole.
But yes, you could have done. But yeah, that's it. I think I don't think there's anything else you want to talk about.
Final
At least I
thoughts.
think I'm done.
I
Those were
want
our
to
final
read it.
thoughts.
It's-
I'm not gonna
it's-
read it.
I want to see
Yeah.
it to the end just to
I'm
see
done.
what happens. But
I'm
otherwise,
done.
I'm not.
I
too
think even
hyped
I'm
up.
done. Like I'll
Yeah.
probably watch the Buddha fight because I'm
Yeah.
like, how are you going to fuck this up? I just want to know how you're going to fuck up Buddha.
Mhm.
But yeah.
But yeah, I'm
Also,
done.
for the record,
Of
I
Ragnarok.
prefer Noragami's Bishamonten than Record of Ragnarok's Bishamonten. Noragami's Bishamonten is much better.
Yeah, Noragami is something that Bruce is really interesting, and they've done their
That is
research, of
mythology
course.
done
Yeah,
right in a modern
yeah.
setting.
Exactly.
Like
yeah.
you know the fun part about Noragami, like I haven't caught up to the latest chapter, so don't blame me if I don't know this shit yet. Maybe they this revealed later on, like a Naruto is the son of the fourth Hokage type of thing. But the main guy, right, in Noragami is not even like a god. He's like a god, but he's not even like he's not a recognized god. Nobody knows him. He's like a very minor god who's trying to work his way up,
I see.
and he is like getting involved in the world of these bigger gods from Japanese mythology. And I mean, I know Bishamonten is supposed to be traditionally
Yeah,
a
the-
half man, which they did show in Record of
Yeah.
Ragnarok, but in Noragami she's a woman who's like badass and
I see.
rides a giant lion and beats people to death.
But yeah,
But yeah, TLDR, not enough research. Please, at least fix it. You have time. You still have a long way to go.
Yeah,
I think
please.
It's still
from
fresh.
everybody.
Yeah, tons of shit can be fixed. I think
Hmm.
they'll see this whole Netflix issue and they'll hopefully they'll.
You're
fix
assuming
something.
they're not going to do it. They're
I'm
not
just
going to do
assuming,
shit.
yeah. I'm still holding a hand out for them, like, okay, hopefully it's
I'll be
possible.
done if I'll be done
But-
if they actually do a season 2. I'm like, why? Who asked for this shit?
But yeah, like,
Hmm.
hopefully they change it, but otherwise it's still a very empty,
Mhm.
this thing, story at the
Yeah.
end of the day. Nothing too much coming out.
Also, listen, guys, for all the Indians watching this, please don't get offended when somebody depicts
don't
your
get
god
offended.
in a different way, because that limits what people can find out about our culture. Our culture is basically against a brick wall of hate
It is,
because
yeah.
nobody wants to see it depicted.
Mhm.
If you guys know the Monkey King game, that Monkey King is based on Hanuman, and nobody knows Hanuman. They know Monkey King because
Yeah.
China let them make
China
games on Monkey King.
advertises the shit out of Monkey King. Like, that thing gets them
Hmm.
money. Too
The
much
Monkey is
money.
also about him coming to like India, like the journey to the
Yeah.
west, right? In the end, so
yeah. And like we are limiting, we are forcing ourselves to stay in a bubble.
Mhm.
Like, have faith in your gods. They are not
They're
beings
not-
who are
yeah.
just going to get destroyed if somebody makes a drawing of them or somebody criticizes them.
Yeah,
It's okay,
exactly.
they are far stronger and far more powerful than that, you know. Like some
Yes.
random American
Just
dude
a
saying,
story.
look at Indian god monkey. Not going to matter to your god. Your god can smite him anytime he wants or she wants. So
I'm
let
pretty
people
sure Hanuman
let people
wouldn't give a
read
fuck.
more.
Yeah, a lot of Indians get
Hanuman could
offended
literally
to.
fly over there, like bang his head with his.
Fucking
this thing
he
and come
can
back.
eat a mountain straight at him if you wanted.
Yeah, he can eat a mountain. No, but yeah, like, yeah, don't get offended by this shit. Let people use these, because the more people will use them in the right way, the more people use them, the more people find out
Yeah.
about, our mythology, because there are lots of stories, there are lots that people have no idea about. And if someone wants to get in, you can start with stuff like Amar Chitra Katha. We, like, at least I grew
Oh.
up reading those comics.
Listen, no,
yeah.
if anyone's listening and they're a
Those
foreigner,
are-
they have lost you when you said that. Okay,
Yeah, they're like,
They're what
"Amar
the fuck
Chitra
did this
Katha,
Indian
kya
dude
bol
say?
rahi? Close to-
Okay, there are these comics that we grew up reading as kids that used to talk about Hindu mythology. Amar Chitra Katha. We will
Spell it out.
link it over here.
Still gone. Still nobody understood that. Nope.
Bru
It's
will put a few
basically-
pictures.
Aesop's fables, if you will, of the Hindu mythology with stories.
Yes, very
from the
good,
myths.
very well drawn. Yeah, see,
Aesop's
Hmm.
fables
And
were
it's
supposed
what-
to be like fucked up stories. at
yeah,
the
those
start,
are quite
weren't they?
fucked. No?
I don't know exactly how to relate
They
to
were.
it with people outside of India, so I'm like, Aesop's fables is the first thing that comes to mind. but
It's Indian
it's like a
comics.
good introduction. For me.
Yeah.
Yeah, Indian comics.
Yes, Indian comics.
Yes.
would be
Yes.
the best way. Also, if anyone got offended because I said let them criticize your god, just remember that ISKCON has literally made its way around the globe. Okay,
Hmm.
Steve Jobs, ever heard of him? Used to be a big fan of ISKCON. Used to get help from them when he didn't have money for food, and they used to feed him. So if allowing your religion to exceed your borders helps everybody, including yourself.
Hmm.
So don't limit it. Let it grow.
Yeah,
let
please,
it
let it go out
people
there.
make stories.
It's-
let people
Mhm.
Yeah. And
keep it going in more.
even if someone
ways.
says something against it, again, just it's an opinion. Just it's their shit. Just don't bother about what they say.
Yes.
If you feed into it, then you're just losing that battle in the end. Don't
And
bother.
also,
to
Yeah,
watch
like
it.
let them hate on your god. Your god loses nothing. You lose nothing.
Yeah, and also I'm not saying don't cancel us because maybe you will. It doesn't matter to us, but think twice before doing that.
Yeah, like really, 60 subscribers.
We are
What's
No
just-
the
more people in your
point?
life than we have subscribers.
Yeah,
we are
we'll
just-
remain
we are just an
insignificant.
anime podcast at the end of the day. Even our opinions
Yeah,
don't
we're-
matter that
we're
much.
just a bunch of weebs,
who are
yeah.
doing nothing
Yeah.
in life.
Yeah,
sitting
We're
and
just saying
talking.
shit on the internet. Well, who gives a fuck?
yeah, it doesn't fucking matter in the end of the day. So chill out. But yeah,
Hopefully
the
they
rest
reach
about-
till hopefully they reach till this point just to see that we're saying this and then just shut it. They'll be like, fucking dox these idiots.
If you're reading, comment big black Celti so we know you read this
Yes.
point.
Yes. That is
Yes.
going to be our first piece of merch, as we've said before.
Yes,
Big
that
Mac
will.
Silly. But yeah, that's it for this episode of Record of Ragnarok.
Ragnarok. Yes.
Next week is going to be a special episode, which might not be great, but say what we're doing next week.
Yes, requested by a fan. Drew will put the picture here. Requested by a fan. We're gonna talk about Kengan Asura next week. Ooh, Kengan Asura. Ooh. But yeah, Kengan Asura and Kengan Omega probably if we get to reading that.
Yeah, if I get
Yes.
the time, yes.
Yeah, sure.
But
Also,
yeah, we'll be
I don't know why
discussing
both of us did this because it's going to be in one corner.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to be in the bottom. You're going to be there. It's going to look weird as fuck doing like this now.
But yeah, that's what we're going to be checking out, and we have a lot more cool stuff planned. If you have suggestions, if you want us to check out something, let us know in the comments. And we do read the comments and we do reply because we are pretty fucking small. So if we get one comment, we're like, yes, we got a comment.
Yeah. And
So,
also,
what?
that's it,
What are you
nothing.
going?
But
What are you going to say?
No. I was just
But-
going to make a shitty little joke, but it's okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's it. See you next week with King and Asura, I guess. Goodbye.
Yes. Goodbye. Stop.
Next week is Kangen Asura. I said it before already.
Yes.